Appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. Let me get that audio right where it needs to be. All right. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Sorry about the crazy little morning beginning. I'm feeling hot. I'm feeling awesome. Look at my alpha trade pumping up to the upside. Booming, booming, booming. If you took any call that I gave you literally in the last 7 hours, we made a killing. My team and me made a killing. We didn't short the market. We're not still hurt. You know what the problem is too? The people that got liquidated, they have no capital. They have nothing left. A lot of these people could not take advantage of this beautiful pump because they got nothing left, guys. Sorry, this is overextended. Let me bring that down. That should be right there. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Shout out to you, bro, for being the best out here. Shout out to Madden Fan. Shout out to Anko. CMAS, exactly. I got the Alpha 1, bro. I made a comment to my Patreons, and I said to my Patreons, I said, guys, if you didn't make any money in the last few weeks, please DM me. I said DM me right away because something is horribly wrong. Like, something is not going right. Like, and we need to fix it right away. Lifer, we are booming. Let's make some money. Shout out to Crypto Tech. Shout out to Anko. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Shout out to Susie I Cry. Shout out to all my peoples, man. Shout out to Brandy McLaughlin. I need some more pump. Oh, come on, man. That's love right there. Check out the links under the video for tutoring and joining the Patreon. That's love right there. Yo, I keep getting wrecked. $5 left. Nah. Savage Trades. KSM. No other channel will do that. Guys, we absolutely took the game down. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. We're looking at Alpha right now, popping to the upside, and it's hitting the target. There's my target, 12.5%. I try to get the measured move, and I bow on out. Why? The measured move seems to be where the price will consolidate again, and I can then snatch it up one more time. You can use Fibonacci's, which I do. You can use Elliott Wave Theory, which I don't. You can do whatever you'd like in this game, but I can prove to you that I'm a profitable trader day in and day out. I just posted my last 50 trades. I've posted my last 50 trades to my patrons. And I will have the gall to show you guys right now out here publicly because I'm damn proud of it. I worked so hard to achieve such great results, and I'm actually very, very proud. When I look at my last 50 trades, all right, which now I don't see them here. Where are they? Come on. I know I posted them, and now it claims I didn't. Right? I know I posted them. Hold on. Come on. Slow me down today. If anyone knows about computers, my computer just keeps doing something funky too. All right? Acting a little strange. Love your shows, and I'm about a week old. Savage Trades. Yo, shout out to Savage, man. Oh, yeah, you got to love the shows, man. The shows are hot. All right, whatever, man. Let me just get my 3 commas out. Like, it is what it is. Let me just get my 3 commas out of here. Maybe I do need snapping now that I don't use it. We'll see. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. If you're here, I don't waste your time. Even though right now it seems like I am. Normally I do not. I apologize. I appreciate your time more than you would ever know. I give you a BTC trade really right off the bat in the first 10-15 minutes of this show. We go over Bitcoin dominance, total 2. Then we break down the market. Then as we start to roll on, people start throwing in the super chats and we start deep diving. We learn about new coins that nobody knows about. We learn about microcap gems, and we learn about the next upcoming projects that may or may not pop big. We tell you how to dollar cost average into things on the low, and then we teach you more and more. If you join the Patreon, it gets even deeper and you become a lifer, and that's when your life truly changes. You will look back and remember 3 things in your life. 4 things. The day you got married. The day you had your kids or kid, right? The day you bought Bitcoin, and the day you became a crypto lifer. You'll always remember those 4 things for the rest of your life. Mark my words. So look, if I go to my trader diary, all right, check this out. If I hit my trader diary, which I'm hitting right now, all right, and it's going to show you like random trades throughout the past. But then what you want to do is you want to search it for the most, the open date trades, right? And then you want to see, the win rate in the last 50 trades. And you want to see how well you've done, and you should be tracking yourself all the time. How well have you done in the last 50 trades? Couple of them are open. They're all phantom DCAs. So, right? So here's 50 trades. We lost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. Let me make sure I get them all. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was a stop loss that should not have been hit like that. 7, 8, 9, 10. I lost 10 of my last 50 trades. Yo, come on, man, because I added 2 more today that are wins, so it knocked off the last 2. Dude, I am 40 for 50 right now. An 80% win rate. 80% win rate. And I have the trades to prove it, man. I have the trades to prove it. It's all right here, look, and I've done it. I made 10K from the 23rd of July till about now. In under a month, I made 10K. Yo, you cannot. May I stay blessed for the rest of my life. May the Lord keep blessing me. May the universe and the energies around me keep staying strong and positive. May my lifers stay strong. I just want to say thank you so much right now. I want to stop the show and say thank you for everything I have in this world. Thank you for every like today and every day. Thank you for every comment and every day. Thank you for every single subscriber and every day. Thank you for every single super chat. Thank you for all the love that I receive every single day. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you for coming into the live show. And so, you know, I could have stayed by myself and made this money all alone and just been all happy, go-glory, but no. I said I'm going to show up every single day and I'm going to teach others how to do this because it is my passion to teach, and I will never ever hold what I have away from other people and just, oh, I'm better than everyone else. No. You are as powerful as what you give away. You are as powerful as what you give away. I'm telling you that right now, and I believe it to the heart of my soul and every single thing that I am, right? So anyway, moving forward, let's take a look at BTC. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. I woke up this morning, the first thing I said was thank you. Thank you for my legs, because I was able to walk to the bathroom and go to the bathroom without having to use a wheelchair. And it made me feel amazing. And then I said, wow, and now I can start my day. I already tutored someone today at 8 a.m. Shout out to Louis. I had a great tutoring session with you. Louis, really appreciate it. He was out in the Netherlands. My buddy out in the Netherlands. Appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. Had a really good session with you. I look forward to you being in the group, and I think you're going to be a valuable asset to us. Very disciplined, well-mannered dude, ready to rock. And I can see that he's ready to listen to what I'm trying to say, and he's gonna put my teachings into work for himself, and he's gonna be able to find himself, working for himself and not for somebody else. You were not made to wake up every day and work for somebody else. You were not. That's not what you were put on this earth for. You were put on this earth to follow your passion and your dreams. But it takes discipline, focus, and desire, and you have to know what you want. If you don't know what you want, then the universe cannot give it to you. It just doesn't work. The equation will not work. And to be focused on one full thing and to have true passion for it, and it has to be all in, like you have to be all in on it. It has to be everything, and then it will break. You will break the forces. You will project into such a reality that the reality becomes you. There'll be nothing that can truly stop you. You see what I'm saying? You will be on another level completely. And each day you will begin to add to your frequency. You'll actually feel yourself change as if you had went into another dimension. And then you'll look back on your old life and be like, how is it even possible from where I am to where I am? And anyway, and true story, I'm telling you facts of life right now, guys. Facts of life. So check it out. We're going to look at BTC right now, right off the bat. And it sounds like fantasy to people that aren't doing it. They're like, no, like, how? But it's a real life. It's a real life thing. You will change your reality. And the minority of people are doing it. The majority of people are not. It's gonna, and you will feel alone because most people won't be in that zone with you. And you're gonna have to be able to know how to go it alone. And you're gonna have to know how to really stick to your own intuitions. And that's where a lot of people just, they want to be in the group. They have to feel loved by everybody. They have an issue going it alone. And you know what? To be a true crypto lifer, sometimes you need to go it alone. Most of my lifers came to this channel because they know what it's like to be on your own in cryptocurrency. Most people in their neighborhood, friends and family, have no idea what it is to be into Bitcoin and into cryptos. They don't know. And they know in their heart where it's going, and they're not going to miss out no matter who around them thinks. The last person I tutored the other night, like, people are like, oh, you still into that? And she's like, I'm still doing my crypto. And she was so sweet. She was like an older lady doing her thing, and I'm still doing my crypto. Like, I know what I'm doing. I'm doing me, and you can do you. And I just love seeing these people, 50 years old, 48 years old, changing their lives with cryptocurrency, signing up for a tutoring session with me, and I meet them from all around the world. It absolutely fascinates me every single time. So look, the 1 hour pointing to the upside, looking very, very nice, forming an ascending triangle. All right, an ascending triangle. Also, what do we have here going? What do we have here cooking? We have a shoulder. We have a head. We have a shoulder as well. Inverted head and shoulder. I put a call out to the Patreons this morning. 3% stop loss for an 8.7% gain. 2.41 to risk reward ratio. Not the best. Could be a little better. Let's see where we're at right now. You could shave the stop up a little more, even to this low point here, in my opinion, and only risk 2%. Turn it into a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio. The idea is you want to get stopped out and then have capital for another day, because that's okay. Okay? That is okay. I took profits on Alpha. I took profits on Kava. Kava slow moving. I didn't have the patience. I gave Kava 2 weeks, and it gave me a very little gain after a while, and I said, oh man. But we'll look back at Kava. We'll see what's going on with it. I may have sold impatient, but you know what? I took my gains. I like to take gains every single day. Every single day, I want to make sure that I sell something for a gain. Or I'm in a trade that's down, but I'm waiting for it to go to fruition. I do not want to sell at a loss. That's the goal, is to never sell. That's how I went 40 out of 50 trades without a loss. It's insane. How could you lose 10 out of 50 trades? I don't know, honestly. I don't even know how. I don't. I never did anything like that in my life. I did go 20 for 20 once. Back when XRP was going up, when XRP first pumped in like October, November there, I went 20 for 20 trades. But that was like my best ever. Let's see the streak. I'm on a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are set. I'm on like basically a 5 trade streak. Look, I had a 3 trade losing streak. That got hairy right there. Right? Bitcoin up and Mithril took me down. They didn't work out. Right? But I keep showing up every single time, and look, it just keeps paying me over and over again. All right, up 10K in a month, doing my thing. All right, 46,500. I just had a tutoring session. I suggested we should open the trade. I said, man, we should open this trade right now. Bitcoin's looking like it's about to fly. And that was at 46,200. And he's already up in that trade. Shout out to Louis, who took the call with me. Appreciate you, Louis. Thank you, brother. Let's take a look at the chat. Let me pop out the chat and see what's crack-a-lacking in the chat. But right now, right off the bat, there's a trade for BTC staring you in the face. If you just come into the channel, you're getting a trade. Again, don't do anything you see me do in this channel. None of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor and do your own due diligence before getting into any project, trade, or coin, okay? And remember, when you press the buy button, it's on you. I'm going to give you the tools to do the right thing. And I will teach you the right education. This is an educational channel. This channel is all about education, teaching you how to educate yourself so you can get out of the 9 to 5 and change your life. Yes, the title of this video says I quit my 9 to 5. I did. I used to work for someone for years. I am 38, and I finally have entered the realm of entrepreneurship where I get to be independent and do my thing, and it's a blessing. And that's what this channel is about, getting you there and helping you. This is life coach, meditation, drink water, work out, do the proper things for the life, mind, and body to keep yourself whole. Treat people with love. Be awesome. Don't force anyone to do anything that they don't feel like they should be doing. You don't force people to do anything like that. That's not right. Anyway, smash them likes, people. What up, man? We popping here today. I think XRP is going to the heavies. It probably will. Shout out to Jesse B. Does Kusama have any more gas, sir? Lifer, we'll take a look at KSM. Hey, Lifer, can you pump Matic today? We'll take a look at Matic. Eat pizza. Shout out to Tenacious Tim. Always eat pizza. I agree with eating pizza, too. It's a good idea. Definitely eat pizza. I don't want to be so hunched down. Let me try this. This might work. Gotta change. I gotta get another monitor up now. Shout out to $50 super chat from Good Morning Lifer. After your BTC calls, check into ETC, a coin we don't look at much. targets. It's rolling. Oh, I look at ETC. Trust me, I've been talking about Electronium Classic. I did a whole thing on it. I keep trying. Ethereum Classic. I keep calling it Electronium Classic. But that's how you know I've been talking about it, because I just got made fun of in my group for calling it Electronium Classic like 2 days ago. No, I love ETC, and I know when it pumps, I'm kind of weary on the pumps. Let's take a look at it. We'll take a look at Ethereum Classic for you, my friend. There was a call for ETC. Yeah, see, look, Tenacious Tim, up 90 bucks. He's like, yo, I took it. There was a call. I was the one in it. He's like, I have it right now. No, we didn't miss, man. We didn't miss. Name a coin I didn't hit. Like, name a coin I didn't hit. I charted like 200 coins. We hit like, I think over 150 of those coins hit. Like, if your mentor is 80% win rate, I don't know what you're doing. Just listen to the man. Missed it, noobs. Nah, no worries, man. I put out a lot of trades. Also, another thing, guys. Crypto Greg, though, you're the man, dude. You're the man. Shout out for Crypto Greg and the love and the awesome. Appreciate you, brother. And there it is. There's the call right here for Electronium Classic. I think I have it waiting there. I think I saw it. Yeah, there it is. It's crazy how, like, I love how I've done so much work. Someone's like, oh, you have no call. No, there it is. There it is. There it is right there. I have a cup and handle for it, ready to blast up to the sky. Ethereum Classic. So what I would wait for this 1 hour to reset, and then we're ready to party one more time. Or, you know, we're going to get a double top up here for a lot of things. I think we're going to get one more leg up here when this crosses up. Let's double click on this. And let's see how far that blue line is getting extended. You kind of already got your double top. Now, yeah, triple top and extraordinary things can happen, and I've seen it happen like this. And we just fly, right? So, you know, we could be right here, and this could do some damage. You know, we are at support and resistance. We're hitting my previous line of, you know, resistance where we knew Ethereum Classic would take a little break. If you're new to the channel, this is the cup and handle. Watch my video, write in CTSI cup and handle, and my video will pop up. Watch my video about cup and handles. It'll blow your mind. You'll be like, okay, I see what this guy's putting down. And we hit these cup and handles day in and day out over and over again. This will take 2 to 3 weeks to play out, but you'll make 43%. And actually, it might even take 2 days. You never know. You never know. But I'm just ready. Thank you for the 199 super chat. Appreciate you there. Thank you very much. San just getting started on the 1 hour. The best video ever. Shout out to Mr. Smurfington. Appreciate you and everyone out there, man. Look at LPT. Only thing that hasn't rocket pumped yet on Coinbase. Okay? I appreciate that. Yo, this has been an insane run. Billions of dollars have come into the market. Let's take a look back at Bitcoin. Total too. And let's really get into the brass tacks of what's crack-a-lacking in the crypto space today. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for jumping on in. How many viewers, how many likes? Can I get a moderator to tell me? Because I can't look at my own stream. I'm trying to save the bandwidth where I'm at right now. I'm in the woods in the Wi-Fi, so I'm trying to save that bandwidth, baby. So here's my call for Bitcoin. It's already going up. 45,580 on the way up, ready to rock. I believe a leverage trade for BTC wouldn't be too bad of a call. But I also think that some USDT pairs. I have a chunk of stablecoin, and I need a place to put it because I just took some profits. So it's time to roll it into something else. I just keep selling and buying something else. My money is not in stablecoin too long. So yes, I do have stablecoin, but think about it. I'm not in stablecoin too long. I'm just in and out and in and out and in and out. I'll get in today and I'll sell tomorrow morning when I wake up. I'll tell myself no matter what, I'm going to sell. It could go up even more. It doesn't matter. I sell. Master of the cup and handles here, Rodney Robinson. We really are masters of the cup and handles. 85 likes. Shout out to everyone here. Can we get 143 viewers, 90 likes? Can we get the likes up to the viewers, please? 150 viewers. Can we get the likes up to 100 at least to get that algorithm cooking for the Crypto Lifer? I would greatly appreciate it. If you hit the like button. You know, I do tutoring all the time. Real quick, let me just do a segue right now, and then we're going to get into the brass tacks. But I do tutoring all the time. During the tutoring, I see someone, they're like, you know, I turned on the TV and, you know, it suggested you, so I hit you, and next thing you know, I watched you, and you were talking about energy and life and positive, and I was like, wow, like this guy, you know, like this is like, and I connected to you. And so guys, when you hit the like button, you may get someone out of the deepest depression they've ever been. They may jump into the Lifer group, they may make a couple trades, they may start learning, they may change their entire life. So you hit that like button, you're doing a service for the rest of the world. It is a karma button. It is good karma for you, I'm telling you right now. So send yourself that karma. Hit that like button. Help someone else get out of a rut. Help someone else find their way. Or just help some awesome person join another group of awesome people. I'd appreciate it more than you would ever know. And that's really what it all comes down to. Be a community member, be a lover of life, be a lifer, be a crypto lifer. That's what it exemplifies to be a lifer. Loving your next neighbor, being there for everybody, even if you don't know who they are. Anonymous love, reciprocal love, love, and more love, man. Okay? Hi, lifer, with tutoring. Yeah, hit the lifer up with your tutoring and hit me up with tutoring right there. I got a link to my tutoring. Hit me up. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate you guys. So look, here's my call for BTC. So I think for the next 4, 5, 6 hours, Bitcoin's going to pump pretty nicely. That's my prediction. That's what the chart conveys. I don't use the word I think. What the chart conveys. Peace and love from Ringo. Shout out to Robert Douglas. Shout out to Ringo. Always forget to hit it until I'm reminding. Yeah, there you go. Wink is a must watch right now. It's going crazy, guys. Oh yeah, Wink BTT. You always have to have a bag. DXY in a cup and handy. Ja Soleil. 156 viewers, 113 likes. Thank you guys. Keep me updated. I appreciate it. Did you just go live? It was so hard to find your stream today. I don't understand why it's hard to find my stream. See? I swear they shadow block me, but it doesn't matter. My stream is my lovers. Everyone loves me so hard. It does not matter. I love that name. Master of the cup and handle. Hey, we've done it. We've used the cup. I will go down in legacy as the cup, Sammy Cup and Handy. Straight up, man. Whoever said that, you're hilarious, man. Shout out to each and every one of my crypto livers. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for being here today and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. Matic looks like it's going for another leg. Can you check it out? Yeah, so Bitcoin looking beautiful. Ready to rock, all right? I'm considering whether to get into a BTC leverage trade. Now Bitcoin at 46.6. It's going for 47K. And then it's going to go all the way to my target here at 48,750. And that's a clean breakout for Bitcoin right there. And we called this yesterday. It's in a inverted head and shoulder, and it's in a beautiful ascending triangle. This is a 68% chance of a break to the upside, so the trade is in your favor. Highly likely to play out. We were just in a tutoring session, and he's like, I'm taking the trade. If you said it, I'm in the session. I'm like, I think you can get into Bitcoin right now. He's like, I'm taking it right away. He's like, I'll take it right away. Imagine being in a tutoring session and then be giving a trade already, and then being up in the trade like right after the session ended, and be like, who did I just meet? Like, who did I just meet? Like, what happened? We back, baby. Hey, lifer, how you watched Cooch Hoda High? I don't know what that means, but appreciate you, man. Sammy Cup and Handy needs to be put on some merch. Buck Nasty. Took your advice on Doge. Now I'm back up. $100. Don't savor. Super chats if you want ASAP. Come on. Yeah, remember when I told you what to do? Yeah, remember when we talked about that? I actually remember that. Yeah, appreciate you, man. Crypto Tech, about to make some money on comb setup. Sammy Cup and Handy. Shout out to Rodney Robinson. Appreciate you, brother. Live, laugh, love. Michael Saylor on Bitcoin. Totally. Matic looks like it's going to up for another leg. Can we look at it? Press 1 for the crypto lifer if it's a bull run. Yeah, guys, if you think it's a bull run, press 1 in the comment section below. I want to see as many ones as I can see right now. Press 1 in the comment section if you think we're in a bull run. Let me see what you got. Shout out to Jumpman. Shout out to Manny. Shout out to Jack Classy. Shout out to Jordan Cazillo. Set a reminder and you'll never miss a stream. Right? There you go, man. Yeah, it's the same time every day, 10 a.m. Just be here. And we're on by 10:15 depending. Look at all the ones coming. 1. Couple ones, more ones. Oh, wow. Hundreds of ones coming in. 1. Dude, this is what I'm talking about. This gets the algorithm cracking, guys. All right. Put a 2 if you took a... All right, put a 333 in the comment section if you've made a trade with the Crypto Lifer and you got paid. Put a 333 if the Crypto Lifer got you paid in the last month, man. Put a 333 if the Crypto Lifer got you paid in the last month. Shout out to Tenacious Tim for the 333. You read my mind, brother. You read my mind. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Now, we take a look at the health of the 15 and the 30-minute. You know, when the 15 minute's high, I don't like to get into the trade per se. I have to wait for a flag of some sort. I watch the 15-minute now, and I watch it closely. Shout out to Rodney Robinson for the 3-3. A lot of threes, a lot of ones, a lot of threes, man. That's a lot of money right there. I wonder how much we could put together, all our profits together. Unbelievable, man. And you know what? They're freedom tokens, guys. They're freedom tokens. One day you will not have to work for somebody else if you already are on your way. And I know a lot of my subscribers don't work for somebody else. They find my channel because they work from home. But a lot of people do. Boom cats, boom cats. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Shout out to Preston Collins. Shout out to Crypto Legacy, CMAZ, David Kames. All my crypto lifers, man. Let's buy a crypto island. Crypto millionaires en route. Yeah, we're going to have a lot of people worth a lot of Doja. And it's not about the money. It's about doing what you want to do with your life and being free. Because nobody should have to work for somebody else for their entire life. Maybe for a little bit to get where you need to go. But eventually you need to be free and you need to go for what you want and what makes you happy. Because that's how you'll truly change the world. Because your passion will be so strong. You will be such a guiding light for the other people around you. Nobody benefits from you when you don't shine. Nobody benefits from someone when you don't put your best light forward. Okay, so Bitcoin, 46,005. I'm tempted to do a leverage trade. Hey, Lifer, Pollux did awesome, but sold too soon. Please check VeChain. And if Pollux is little Schmitty, why didn't you just hit my way for my target? Just hit my target, little Schmitty, especially in a bull run. Just put 70% or 10% below the target. Shout out to Little Schmitty for the $10 super chat. Hey, Lifer, Pollux did awesome, but I sold too soon. Please check VeChain, and if Pollux has gas to keep going. Inspiration for all the lifers today. We are financially free. We are lenders, not borrowers. Yo, I like that power move. Power move. We are lenders, not borrowers. Appreciate you. Been a stay-at-home dad 10 years. Have been a game developed, blockchain developed now, trading for 6 months unsuccessfully, but I don't give up. I can't sit and watch TV and feel useless. Appreciate you, Savage Trades. VeChain also goes hard. BNB Pay Future Crypto use case. All right, so there's BTC in a nutshell. We kind of have an idea where it's going. Looks like it might stall out here on the 15-minute. Watch the 15-minute reset. Might take about an hour, and then it looks like Bitcoin's going to be ready for some more gas. That's why it's pulling back right now. We got a high 15-minute. It makes sense. I started trying to find the reasons behind everything, and I started figuring it out. I said, why is this happening? Well, this is this, and that is that. All right? Let's look at a bigger time frame like the daily and see what's cracking for BTC. Sad I got to move this trade over real quick. But I can recreate it in a nutshell. And look at this, man. Isn't this nuts? If you just played the daily just like you played the 15-minute or just like you played a 1-minute scalp. Say this was a 1-minute scalp. Remember, all time frames are the same. You're the one who sees time. The price does not see time. You create the time. There's your measured move for BTC. Another thing I want to point out. I get into Bitcoin when it's very close and tight on the daily. When these are getting tight, that's your accumulation zone for BTC. And then it starts to move. Then you want to scale out when the moving averages get loose. We're going to do this on the daily for this next run. We're going to scale in here when they're tight. We're going to scale out when they get loose. You see what I'm saying? So right here, we're going to scale in very, very nicely into BTC. Why? Because the moving averages are getting very tight on the daily time frame. When I see that, it's an indication. We're about to get a golden cross on the daily. The 21's crossing the 200. This is a very, very strong sign of a bullish recovery, a bullish reversal, okay? I've played this before. I've seen it happen right here. And this was the beginning after the pandemic. And then boom. Same thing happening here. Boom. Highly likely to play out. I've seen this happen on other... We can go back to smaller time frames and then look at this. Look, I can use the 1 hour on Bitcoin to show you how it does the same things over and over again. Look, it's tight. When it gets loose, it dumps. It's tight. When it starts to get loose, it dumps. So the 1 hour is going to dump soon. It's telling you, like, we're going to get one more run up somewhere 40, 48, something, and then we're going to come back down to 44. We're going to come down to this support or this support region. So don't, you know, I hope not 36K, you know. I hope right here at 41K, or right here at 44K. But we're going to have a pullback. It's going to happen. Might wick down to 41.8, you know what I'm saying? Get everyone nice and freaked out. Make sure we retest support. But we're going to test one of these support regions once the 1 hour gets really high and extended. We've had such a run. And look, we're hitting the measured move. The measured move for me is right here. One of them is 48,000 and the next one is 50,000. I think we might touch 49.9, you know how we always kind of, and then we're just going to kind of crush it back down to like 42, 45, something in that region. So get ready. It's going to happen. Just like here, we got high. We hit a beautiful high, 42K. Where do we retrace back down? 37. Nice 5K retracement. We're going to get to a high of 50K. retrace back down to 46, 44,000, something like that. That's what's going to be happening. That's, highly likely to play out for BTC. And again, I don't project like too far ahead. I just say this is what I think is going to play out, right? Now, we did look at the weekly chart too for Bitcoin, and we suggest that it's going to pump to the upside as well, right? Because it had hidden bullish divergence playing out. And I talk about hidden bullish divergence, and I talked about it over and over and over again. I really did. How many times did I go over this? I even made a video that said why I believe the bottom is in for BTC, right? Now, I don't want to sell hopes and dreams. We could go to 50K and we could still go back to 25K. I want to put that out there. I know everyone might just go, ooh, why would he say that? And that's why you always want to be taking profits on the way up, no matter what. There's got to be profit taking no matter what, okay? I know it. And then you have your long-term holds. I get it. But even at one point, your long-term holds has to begin to be a profit-taking scenario, a profit-taking moment, okay? This has been a fast run. Bitcoin's starting to pump pretty nicely. Look at the last weekly run we had. Boom, we got up there extremely, extremely fast. But look, it just began where we're at right now on the stochastics. Look at this. See where the blue line's hitting? Look at the blue line's hitting. We were just right here. Look at this. I'm going to blow your minds right now. I draw a plus sign that we make there. So we do a cross where that hit, and then we put a line there. That's when Bitcoin started its leg at about 12K, 11K. We're at 12K, 11K right now. Isn't that crazy? Watch this. Let's do a fractal just to see where Bitcoin may go. I love playing with fractals. They're so much fun. We go down to this bars pattern here, right? And then I'm going to take a fractal because we're at about the same place in the stochastic. Just take the uptrend. We don't want that downtrend. We take a look at where this is about to go. I mean, suggesting 80K before a bigger pullback. Everyone's kind of looking at 80K as a big deal. I think we do go to 80K, and then I believe we pull back down to 70, one of these areas of support and resistance. And then, later on, and I think that's, so we hit 80K, I don't know, late September, into October. We bounce back down to 75, 68K in late October, into October, November. And then November, December, we rip to the 100K region. And then I think we even pump pretty much into January. And then everyone says you have to sell it. And I'm not going to be able to place exactly when to sell. And I can't tell you that. We're going to look at the Pi cycle chart. We're going to be looking at, high weekly time frames on the RSI. And, we're going to do the best we can to get in and get out of the market. But as long as you're taking profits on the way up, highly, highly important. Let's take a look at Matic. Let's start this awesome fun going through all these amazing, amazing altcoins. First, let's take a look at the altcoin total market. Okay? Total market cap for all the altcoins. Approved by the Senate today. What about it? I mean, it is what it is. Things will go to other countries. Bitcoin will go anywhere in the world where it moves the best. Just like that's cryptocurrency. Venezuela will become a hub. Wyoming is a hub already. These are going to be big, transitions. MACD cross about to happen here on total, which is the entire market cap. We're just getting started here. The market cap's coming back, man. I told you the weekly was low, and I told you I love to buy when the weekly is low. I made a lot of buys. I plumped down a lot of capital down in these areas. I bought Matic. I bought Phantom. I mainly bought Matic, Phantom, Solana, FTT, and Bitcoin. All right? Those are my mains, right? And I held bags of everything else that I had. Have you hit the like button yet? Thank you so much for asking. US has way more to gain from Bitcoin than Bitcoin does from the US. Exactly. Tree City West made that a beautiful point. I spent all my life savings on ETH at 1,800, and I sold almost all of it at 2,150. Why would you do that? I need to be thankful I made a lot of money and stop thinking about all the gains I missed out on. Oh, you made a lot of money. All right. I mean, but you don't sell Ethereum, man. You sell half. I mean, fine. You took profits. You did a great trade. That's perfect. You did what you had to do. No worries. Thank for the reminder. I actually forgot to hit the like button. Shout out to Kevin Tam. Thank you for hitting the like button. Appreciate you, man. You think it's the last leg of the bull run? No. I think we're just getting started in a new bull run. Like, this is the beginning of another bull run. It's a second leg up. I think this will become a longer, more substantiated run. A 2-year run. I think it's going to be a little longer than we think. Okay? That's what I think is going to happen. But you know, it's up to you guys to decide. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. Mass TA, please. You're the man lifer. $1.99 for Produce the Beats. Okay, let's take a look at Ethereum Classic right off the bat. So total's looking beautiful. We're about to have an explosion in the market, says my technical analysis, right? Everything's looking pretty good. We will have a closer pullback, though. Look at the 1 hour on total. We're getting extended on the 1 hour. About to hit $2 trillion. So what do I think we happen? I think we do. We hit 2 trill, 1.98, you know, and then we're going to get a pullback after that. Probably right back to this region. Right back here to about 1.9, you know. We got out of the doldrums, though, on the 1.3s, 1.2s. You know, I thought we were getting close to go to 1 trillion again. And I said if that happens, you know, and we pushed our way out of it. We went over this daily. We went over total. We went over Bitcoin. We went over total too. We went over Bitcoin dominance. I bet you Bitcoin dominance is about to fly. That's my instinct of the market. Look, the 1 hour is extremely oversold and about to pump to the upside. Watch your altcoins. Altcoins are very fun to trade when this trends to the downside. Look, we saw that it was in a rising wedge that could dump to the downside. Altcoins are very, very nice to trade if this keeps dumping. Okay? Now, it's also making another ascending triangle as it tried to break in. That is a bearish retest. A bearish retest is when price tries to break back into the bottom of a pattern and it gets rejected numerous times. All you need is one, but that got rejected 2 or 3 times. Could you give me a cup of water? Oh, I love that. Can I read that with you? Can you save that for me and you? I love that book. I love you. Don't break the glass. Be very careful. 2 hands. You can use the sink right here. Ask someone to help you. So Bitcoin dominance, right? It is dropping to the downside now. Highly likely to keep dumping. 4.574 and dropping. Bitcoin dominance, man. All right? And this happened. This is why it was so fun to trade the alts. What's your take on today's new Coinbase listings? Oh, quick and all the new stuff? I mean, it's awesome. I'm loving that they're adding more coins. Soon it's going to be a free-for-all on Coinbase, which is going to be great. I don't mind. Thank you so much. I don't mind a regulated exchange. I'll do the right thing. The unregulation gives me more heebie-jeebies. You know, I don't want them taking advantage. I don't want to give these corrupt agencies any reasons to take advantage. I want to always do the right thing. You know what I'm saying? They're the ones that are corrupt, not us. You know? Have you talked about Tendy yet? Supposed to be a superb project. I have no idea what it is. Let me Google it right here and keep it on the wayside. Tendy. For a deep dive. And guys, the channel is going to start changing again. Remember? Hardcore trading. It's going to get into crazy little coin. Yo, when this market gets crazy again, we're going to be looking at all sorts of things in the market. We're going to be doing more deep dives. It's going to get insane. It's going to get insane. Remember what happened last time? And we have more subscribers than ever. The algorithm's kicking, and we're bigger than we were before. So imagine what's going to happen when Bitcoin goes to 80K, my friends. We're on a roll. Coinbase is low-key becoming really nice to trade off of. It really is. Cardano, please. Yes, Coinbase ain't too bad now. Send in a super chat. That's how you say please. PooCoin party about to start. Yep. The corrupt agencies are the ones doing the regulating. Isn't that funny? Robert Douglas. I know, right? What's your take on Tendy? We'll take a look at that. Mask TA. And we got to take a look at Ethereum Classic. And we got to take a look at Pollux. Let's take a look at Pollux. But the whole market doing really well. Bitcoin dominance about to pump. Watch your altcoins. They may struggle a little bit in coming up. Looks like Bitcoin's about to take the cake. Bitcoin's about to be the big mover. I know we have to wait for that 15-minute to kind of reset, so we don't have to jump into the trade yet. If you're in the trade, it's great. You already made your move. Probably can't come back down on that 15-minute. So we get a bounce here, right, on Bitcoin dominance on the 1 hour. Let's take a look at the 4 hour on Bitcoin dominance. A bounce here too, telling you that that's Bitcoin wanting to rip. But that's fine. Might come up here, get rejected, and then just get rejected again. That's fine. It's just telling you Bitcoin's going to take some liquidity out of the USDT market. Bitcoin's going to take liquidity away from the dollar. Now, that's US Tether is a way to tell, even though Tether is pegged to the dollar and it's not the dollar, it's a great way to see what's going to happen with Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance, because I look at these things together. Okay? What I mean is this. Check it out. Let me take a look at my 50 trades and only 10 losses. Unbelievable. Come on now. Come on now. And I'm not one to boast. But I am one to prove what is true in any situation. And that's a fact right there. So I like to prove the facts. Facts are what matter, man. Facts matter. Someone else says that. So look, we're getting a push up. Let's look at the daily though. Daily too wants to rip. When I've seen that, the last time we saw that, Bitcoin went on a tear. Look at that. The last 2 times the daily was low for Bitcoin dominance. What happened to Bitcoin? Bitcoin went on a freaking tear. All right. So I'm telling you right now, get your bags packed for a 60K Bitcoin. And I'm saying it right now, right here, right loud, because I'm seeing all the indications of what I know to be true for a blast off in Bitcoin. And I've been doing this for a long time, as long as you could, since Bitcoin's been on the map around $300 to $400. So I've been watching Bitcoin since it was 300 bones. I've been watching the Ethereum since it was $9. I was watching Litecoin since it was $350. I was telling everyone in the office I worked at, you should buy Litecoin. You should buy Litecoin. Jump in to Litecoin. I said there was only 3 coins on Coinbase at the time. It was just an app. I said, this has got to be the one. This has got to be the one. Back then, you could have made a killing. Oh my gosh, man. Cryptocurrency has not stopped paying the man. I'm telling you right now. Let's take a look at Qtum and Pollux. We got so much to go over. Let's take a look at all the super chats. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Let's take a look at Pollux. So this is Bitcoin total and Bitcoin dominance. That's kind of what we do here. Wow, look at that. Pollux went even higher than I thought it was going to go. 141%. I said 80. Even my measured move. Wow, Pollux booming to the upside. If you stayed in the trade, 141% in 2 days. Unbelievable. I mean, it was 0.06. It wasn't even worth a tenth. It wasn't even worth a hundredth of a penny. It was worth a half of a hundredth of a penny. So you could only imagine. We were all over this, man. Shout out to all my crypto lifers. Anyone who took the call in Pollux. These are some of the biggest green candles I've ever seen. This is like Shiba Inu style, man. Wow. Wow. But we hit it again. We nailed it for you. No stop loss got hit. A beautiful trade here on Pollux on the 4 hour. I saw the pennant. I said, buy the pennant. I never knew this was going to be a 141% trade. Look at that. Would you look at that, man? Would you look at that, Mary? All the way to the top there. Oh, Bailey. Oh, Nelly. That's insanity. Does it have more to go? I mean, the 4 hour is cooked. I think it could. You know, how you find out it has more to go, you go to the 15 minute and you check. That's cooked too. And you see some strong, let's see if you have bearish divergence. A little bit of bearish div. Not as much as I would think, but yeah, you have it here. Because what you can do is you can take this swing to this swing, and that's your line, and then you take this swing, and you got bearish divvy for sure. Bearish divvy for sure. Alt T, guys, if you don't want to have to keep going back up to here, Alt T is going to be your fast keyword shortcut. Alt T is the keyword shortcut for making. All right, so here you go. Alt H makes a horizontal line. So right now I want to put a line here. Alt H. It's Option H on a Mac, Alt H on a PC. You want to draw a Fibonacci and see where something's going to come back. Like right now, we need Fibonacci's on these now. Right? We can delete our old work. What a beautiful call on Pollux. Booming up to the upside. Unbelievable. So now this is where you would pull a Fibonacci. And you hit Alt F. You go from the impulse to the end of this move. And boom. It says that Pollux should come back down to the 618, the 0.5, or the 382. One of these places. And look, these coincide kind of, pretty close with support and resistance lines that I would be making, which is pretty uncanny, isn't that not? Here's your golden pocket. Pollux should come back down to the golden pocket before it resumes its next pump to the upside. So this is what I see happening for Pollux. It's got to kind of, form a rising wedge, and then that will have a bigger target, and then it will be on its way again. Only has to touch the 200-day moving, the 21-day moving average too. Let's see how far away it is. Yeah, here. So you know what? It's telling me that the retrace may not be to the 618. A lot of times you just got to touch that. It's got to touch the 21-day. So look, I mean, anything is possible. It could flag. But this is my projection for Pollux, and then the 21's going to come kiss it. Man, let's see where it is on the 4 hour. Yeah, that 21 needs to come kiss it, even on the 4 hour. So, yeah, I mean, it could meet up with the 21 right here near the 618. Highly likely. That's my idea. I would be taking my profits and moving on into something else. Highly that's it. It's done. It did its thing. It's a beautiful trade. Shout out to anyone that got into Pollux. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay. We are lenders, not borrowers. Love seeing that. Mask. Let's take a look at the Mask TA. Mask USDT on Binance. Ooh, this looks hot to trot. I actually like this trade. I think I'm going to take this trade. This looks hot right now. I think 10K in Mask is a smart idea. This is a cup and handle as well. Let's take a look at what's cracking here. Mask looks to be breaking out as we speak. I'm going to be a little preemptive on this. 30 minutes looking good. 15 minutes a little high. I usually don't like to get in when the 15 minutes that high. Let's kind of break down this trade. Thank you for coming into the crypto. Thank you for coming into the Crypto Lifer Show. The best technical analysis you can find on the internet, in my humble of opinions. We make profitable trades every single day here. I show and prove it every single day. I have a public Telegram channel with over 3,000 people following me from around the world. And it's one of the greatest Crypto Lifer, world channel you could ever find. I also have a Patreon with private channels, with the beginners group, with a 99 group where you get to know the people that are paying $100 that are really serious about cryptocurrency. They're going to help you make gains. They're going to be on you. They're going to push you to get very successful in cryptocurrency. They're going to make sure that you don't make excuses for yourself. A lot of times it's easy for us to fall when we're alone. It's a lot harder to fall when you're with a group. That's why it's called a football team and not a football man, right? That's why everyone has a team. Join the Crypto Lifer team. Jump on in there for $99 a month. You will not be disappointed. I will work harder than anyone you've ever met, and I'll be more consistent than everyone you've ever met, and we will rock it out every single day, man. I love each and every one of you, and my passion for you guys and my passion for helping you change your life is why I'm here every single day. So thank you very much for coming on in, and I appreciate you more than you would ever know. Hit the like button, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post my next video, and get ready for the ride of your life, because this is crypto and I am the Crypto Lifer. Look at Mask, ready to blow up. So far, so good, dude. I think Mask comes back down here. I think you can get Mask at 690, 691, something like that, and then it's off to the races. Mask, I believe this is going to be my trade. I'm going to hone in on Mask. I really like it. Let me take a look at the 4 hour as well. 4 hours ready to go with momentum to the upside. It just needs to reset. Look at this beautiful pennant. Whoever just gave me Mask, shout out to you. Produced the beats. And that's another thing. I've trained my lifers, man. Now people that come to the channel, they know what's going on. Look, we have falling price with falling volume. I went over that recently. That lends to a reversal, okay? Look at what else we see. Harder to see, but I see it right here. Do you see it what I see? Do you see what I see? A star glistening in the night. Let us bring him silver and gold. I'm just messing around. Check this out, though. Shoulder, head, and shoulder. This could pump up to the upside, right? Just a little shoulder here touching the 21, and then we're gone. 15-minute could reset, and we could see. So what do you want to know? How do you want to know? How do you figure it out? Well, you just draw a little bit of a line here and watch this thing. And as long as this flags out or just kind of like keeps its composure here while the 15-minute resets, she's very bullish. This trade is highly likely to play up to the upside. Bitcoin's also pumping. I like the look of this trade. It's looking very, very nice. Let's take a look at Mask real quick. Let's look at Mask. Shout out to Jesse B for ripping the face off of the Kusama. You made me very happy seeing that today. That's how you do it, man. Pay for a new fridge in a kitchen in a night, right? Most people work for a week or two, save their money. You can buy it in a night. Make the trade, make the trade work for you. Make your money work for you, man. You work for your money, now make your money work for you. Look at the measured move there. Hit it exactly on the wick. Unbelievable. Insanity, right? Inverted head and shoulders never cease to play out. Look at this. Here's another one. So we've already seen that when this thing makes inverted head and shoulders, it likes to respond. It likes to respond. So happy when I started changing my color and I made it black and yellow. But look at this one. In this one, you take the length of the head, the shoulder to the head. And look, it does wick up. That one wicked up. But I mean, for the most part, you get the candle close. You get the action, right? Wouldn't you like to just be able to draw shapes and print money out of a shape? Every single day, I do it every single day. I could be on vacation anywhere. I could be doing anything. I look at the charts for a little bit. Then I go and do what I do for the rest of the day, right? Then I go back to the charts. As long as I go back to the charts every 4 to 5 hours, then I'm happy to do it. I love doing it. I'm passionate. It's exciting. I'm like, ooh, did my trade work out that I put so much work and due diligence into? Like, this Mask trade looks really nice. I know a lot about it. The daily's high as well, but it's kicking. I think we're going to get like a push up here. Something's happening. But remember to take profits on this one because the daily is high. But at 703, it's looking like a beautiful trade. The Mask. I like this trade a lot, man. NFT also, too. It's in the NFT space, right? I think the crypto lifer is going to get his feet wet right here. Tendies. What does tendies mean? Tendies, diamond hands, your guide to lingo. Interesting. So it's a crypto reference, eh? Okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. How many people we got on the live? Moderator, hit me with a number. Appreciate you guys. Please hit the like button when you come on into the room. You might help someone change their life. Appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. We're taking a look at a Mask right now if you're just jumping in. We went over Bitcoin dominance, total too. We built a whole picture of where the market's going and what's crack-a-lacking. We can kind of see what's going on in the market. We have a good feeling for the sentiment of the market because we've looked at all the different indications of how to figure that out. And I'm teaching you guys along the way. Watch what I do. Focus on what I'm showing you guys. This is very, very important. Bitcoin pumping back to 46,600, and it's on the way, man. It's gone. Bitcoin's gone, man. TLM looks like it's about to pop and go to the upside as well. Looking very, very nice. I'm going to get into Mask. I like Mask right now, and the market's looking really nice. Remember, watch your altcoins, you know, after a pump or two. NFTs are hot right now, though. Trust me. NFTs are super hot. Super hot. Super hot, dude. Super hot. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me. And that is your time, my friends. That is your time. I'm going to put 10K into Mask. That's going to be my move right now. 10K into Mask. I'll put 5K now, 5K. Now, you know what? I like the call, man. The 15-minute does come low. I think I can get it a little cheaper. But I don't know if I have the time to deal, and I'd rather just put the trade away and move on. It's looking nice to me. Let me take a look at the trade. Let me take a look at my risk-reward ratio, and let me see what's going on with the mathematics of the trade. Now you can see how a true trader actually trades. Again, don't do anything I do in this channel, and none of this is financial advice. I am a self-taught man who's figured all this out on my own. So take a look at this. Look. No, that's not true. I mean, I joined a course and a class, and so who am I to say I figured it out on my own? It's not true. I ventured out into it on my own, and then I saw what else happened. So look, if it drops out of the pattern, it negates everything. 5% stop loss on 10K, $500. Okay. I could have just 500, but I'm going to make so much more. I'm going to make $3,200 on the trade. So let's go for it, baby. I'm ready to rock. I like the risk-reward ratio. I've made, I can pay for that risk. Things are going well. 32% gain. So I'm going to take gains at what? Like 26, 27. You get it? I'm always just going to be a little more preemptive because I'm going to guarantee wins every single time. And we're going to put 10K in the trade. All right. I'm going to show you the live trade right now too, which most people will never do. Shout out to 3 Commas. I appreciate 3 Commas. Guys, there's a link to 3 Commas at the bottom of my video. What am I doing? I'm using something called 3 Commas. I'm connecting to the back end of my trades, and I'm able to go in and out of trades using 3 Commas. It's really, really nice. Look, set a stop loss. Stop loss was 5%. We hit 5. Take profit is 26. I want to get in here at about 702, 701. I want to put 10K into the trade. Bam. I even think we could get 690, right? I think we could get 690. I really do, because that 15 minutes high. Even the bounce off of the 21, which we already did though, 688. We did bounce off the 21 already. We could stay in this flag as well. Highly probable. Either way, I like the trade. I like what I'm seeing for the trade. I like what I'm seeing. So 10K into the trade. Put my money where my mouth is. No BS. 26%. 4% stop loss. We'll go in at 7019. We'll create the trade. Bam. This creates the stop loss, the take profit, and the entry all at once. Puts it beautifully in a visual sign and tells me that the trade was created successfully. I wait to see if the trade breaks. Once I'm in, it gives me a positional strength, whether I'm up or down, throughout the entire trade. Gives me my value USD and gives you my percentage and tracks the trade throughout the trade for me. This trade's a phantom trade. I put 383. I'm up $57, 15%. Here's another phantom, 500. These were long-term buys. I just got into phantom. I'm in 2,500 for TLM. I'm in phantom again for 350. That one's up 50%. And it tracks all your trades. Look at every time I dollar cost average into phantom, I'm up. Phantom's at 32 now. I don't think you might ever get it below 30 cents. I mean, we'll see. Look at all the phantom buys. My Matic buy for 5K is up 1,300. This phantom buy for 2,500 up $700. Just it gets insane, man. There's days when you make $4,000, $5,000, $7,000, $8,000 in a day, and you look back and you're like, damn, like I can't even tell people this in the street. You know, family and friends would think I was bragging, right? And it's not about the money. It's about you get to elevate your game in trading, right? Like even 2-3 years ago, I would never put 10K in a trade ever. Like I didn't have the capability to do that. That wasn't my life. You see what I'm saying? And so now when I look back on that and I'm like, wow. So, and it begins to grow. And it begins to grow, right? Look at Mask now too. Look at what I see now, which I didn't see before. That's why it's kind of good to hang out on a trade sometimes. Does it make a giant inverted head and shoulder? And there Mask is at 703. Damn, already running on me a little bit. Giving me that FOMO. I don't think I got the trade. It didn't fill. Now I gotta kind of like... Now there is an open now button on 3 commas. Doesn't always work. I just hit it now and we'll see if it works. Just leave it alone. You don't touch it though. It worked. It worked. Gives you this funky warning like you don't have enough to get into the trade. Doesn't make any sense though. All right, so we're at even now. We're at even now. And my stop loss is 666. Creepy. This thing just popped to 703. I hope we got into the trade now. This thing is flying. All right, we're in the trade. I got in at 706 though. They kind of market bought me on that pump, which is kind of grimy because it might go back to 693. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All is well. All right, all is well. And that's basically, you know, that's how I make my trades with 3 commas. Link is in the description in the bottom of my video. It says automate your trading, 3 commas. That referral helps me a lot. Helps me a lot. I actually just talked to them and I did a deal with them where they give me more commission now too. So that really helps out the channel, and I love using 3 commas. So just something I want to put out there for you guys. Okay. Okay. So I made my trade of the day. I'm in my trade. I still have 3,500 to deploy. We're going to look at another funky trade that we can make. All right. Shout out to everyone here. Let's take a look at the comment section. Let me get deeper into the comments. Apologize. Got busy into that Mask call. But I had to hone in on my trade too, right? I had to make sure that the trade looked proper, looked right. Okay. Alpha seems to be breaching a trend line. This could be retesting now. We'll see. 105 for Alpha. Hard doing good. Trying to find the chat here. I lost the chat. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. BTC about to pump. Oh, yeah. Prompt looking to pump. Prom, yeah. Can you peep H-bar lifer? We'll take a look. Can you look at CHR? Def Dior for the 19.99 super chat. Sam, targets on AMP. It's been flagging for a long time and busting out. You already look at ACH. No, I did not. Let's take a look at ACH. Thanks for checking out Mask. Appreciate you for the 199. Ace, please. I DM'd you a chart a few days ago. We'll take a look at Ace. Yeah, I like Ace. What's your take on today's new Coinbase listings? Is that quick? All of them are hot. Yeah, they're going to be hot, man. Super hot. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Jeffrey Clace, my dude. Chelsea. Mr. Smurvington. Yo, I just want to put out Mr. Smurvington, man. I just want to put you out there again. You've been doing unbelievable. You keep it up, you're going to be an admin. One more month, you keep it up. You'll become an admin with the Crypto Lifers. I'm telling you right now, man. You're entering admin status. I'm seeing how much work you're putting in, and I see what you're doing. And I like it. And I like it. I'm calling you out, buddy. calling you out, man. You're doing really, really well. I know your wallet's getting fat just by watching you. I love it. I love it when someone picks up what I'm putting down and I can see that it's changing their life. I love it. Thanks for all your TA lifer. Do you know by any chance? And even Jesse B agrees. And Jesse B is like, because if he doesn't agree, you're out. If Jesse B, I could love you. If Jesse B says no, you're out. You're out. You're out. He's the last. He runs the show over here. Give him the A, right? That's facts, lifer, man. Booyah. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Appreciate you guys. Hollow chain pumping. It's all going to pump, baby. Everything's going to move back up into big boy status. Watch Mask do some serious damage. Make a nice 3K today. Lifers' testimonies are amazing. Yeah, read the testimonies. They're out of control. People writing full-blown paragraphs now. It's getting out of control. Appreciate each and every one jumping into the testimonials. Okay, so thoughts on AMP. It's been flagging for a long time. Let's take a look at AMP. Let's take a look at ACH. I entered ACH for about 2,500. Let's see what's going on for ACH. Okay. Got very close to my stop, but the stop never got hit. Can you believe that? Let's take a look at what's going on. Look, it's still in the trade. Look at that. Still in the trade. Like, tried to get me, but couldn't do it. So look at this. It's clearly in a falling wedge now, which is beautiful. 68% chance of a break to the upside, and it broke out. It's now looking for a retest place, a place where it wants to retest. 1 hour is a little high. Look for the double top, maybe bounce up, and then look for it to get rejected by this high, and then we're going to watch it for a while. Let's look at a smaller time frame, see if it's flagging. What is it doing? All right, that's what I'm talking about. This is why you got to use smaller time frames. They give you more clarity. Use a smaller time frame, bouncing off the 200. 21 crossing the 200-day moving average. This is very good. Looks like you could take a scalp on ACH just on the 15-minute time frame. So here, I'll put out a trade for ACH on a scalp. The scalp could give you 40%. I mean, so it's no joke. So there's your 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio right there. And let's look for let me move this to the right here, and let me look up my support and resistance lines. Support and resistance is so key. Once you play with it and really use it to your advantage, you're going to see how much it really, really changes the way you trade. You can do this for a living. You can do this for a living. There's times where I really thought it was dreamlike and I would never be able to do this for a living. You can do this for a living. I turned it into a business. I turned it into trading. I turned it into my life. I show improve, you know. I show improve every single day here on the live stream, man. I appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you for coming on into the live. This is a bit of a cup and handle too as well. The cup doesn't have to be perfect. I've seen this play out as a cup and handle many times, just like that. Especially when this can get back up to the previous side of the other cup. That's what really makes a true cup. Do you have both sides? And if you've got both levels, like if you can draw a line and that hits the level, I mean, that's a cup and handle. Doesn't have to be perfect. Not at all. 44% gains coming out of ACH. Highly likely I'm going to make a killing on it on the 2,500. Money begets money. Then you make more money, use that money for more money. Then use that money, make money for more money. Stay disciplined. Stay focused. Stay disciplined. Stay focused. Repetition and intensity. Discipline. Repetition and intensity. Discipline. That's the formula for success. I mean, any successful person will tell you over and over and over and over again. Okay, and you could, in telling yourself that you're fallible, in any moment you could fall off the wagon, and that you have to constantly be on yourself to make sure that you are sharp. Trading will keep you very, very sharp as an individual. You can't drink at night and go trade. I can't get hammered at night and then look at my trades. I might devastate my entire portfolio. I can't wake up hungover. It's just not something I can be doing. So it takes alcohol out of my life completely, right? Trading number one, because I have to be more precise and on point. I just can't be going out for a quote-unquote margarita here and there. It just doesn't. And maybe there's other traders that can do that. For me, I can't. It just doesn't work for me personally, you know. I may be able to just, you know, have one glass of wine at a dinner. You know, I'm not going to say every once in a while, but for the most part, I really don't feel the need for drinking any alcohol at all. And I'm not hating on people who do. If you do, it's cool. It's your life. It is what it is. I don't judge you for what you do. It does not matter to me. I'm just saying what I do. We'll take a look at there's more gas in Kusama for my man. Let's take a look at AMP flagging for my man, Crypto Greg. Appreciate you, Crypto Greg, more than you would ever know. Thank you for the $50 and the $5 super chat. Always coming correct. Never playing with me. Appreciate you, man. So AMP pumped in the last hour, though. Damn, did I miss the chat? I mean, the chat was maybe a half an hour ago. Still pumping. This thing boomed. Look at this thing. Whenever, look, it was in a cup and handle right here. See it? And then look, it was in a bigger cup and handle as well. Here's my call for amp. It's just never changed. Look at my call for amp, and it never changed. It never stopped. Like, I told you to get an amp around 0.5 and ride it all the way up. Now, the target's even further. There's about 79% gains for amp. Yeah, I mean, this trade's still valid. No stop loss, continuing to do its thing. I mean, at this point, I would raise that stop to almost damn near break even. Yeah, I'd be in the trade for good now, and now you can just see what happens. Let it go, babe. The daily's ready to rock for you for amp, so this thing's ready to go and do its thing. 79% gains coming for amp. Highly likely. So there's your amp call right there. AMP. There you go. AMP. Binance launched sand trading competition, and I have invested a 0.71, and now sand is trading at 68. Please analyze sand. I have invested in the Binance futures. Why don't you send in a super chat, because it feels like you really need it, and that would be a good trade-off of information for value. I use 3 commas. It really is good, as he says. Thank you very much. It's awesome. Welcome, John Glad, to the family. Appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. Hoping ACH quickly hits my break even at 14. My break even at 14? Ooh, that's tough. Sorry to hear that. You might want to get a tutoring session. I would make sure that doesn't happen to you again. Okay, so there's AMP. Yep. Sam target. So there's my target for AMP. You got a target here at 0.08 and all the way up here at 10. 10.5 cents. So yeah, 8 and 10.5 cents are what we're looking for. Really not much else in the way. There's no resistance for this. No resistance. So ready to pop to the upside. The AMP call is strong, my friends. The AMP call is strong. Watch AMP. Now, if you missed the pump, yeah, you want to see what do we do now. 1 hour is getting a little high. Look for a pullback to support. Everything is high. So look, projective-wise, I do my flag. I just do my flag. And that's how we roll. And then we'll see what happens here. It's going to flag out. It's got to touch the 21-day moving average. Same on the other time frames. Same thing. So it's got to pull back. So now you're looking for support, and your really only place is here and a little bit there. So look for it to bounce here at 648, and then it'll be gone. And that's my idea. That's how I would trade AMP. Ready to rock. I mean, it's ready to go for you. That's a video call to anyone out there. And look, there's a cup and handle ready to rock yet again. So see how my TA just keeps playing out, like, or my idea of TA, or what I use to figure out how to get in. And so this is going to make a cup and handle, and then it's going to fly. And then it's going to have a target from this skilled point to that skill point, which I call skilling it. I don't know why I call skilling it, but I do. It reminds me of like a carpenter drawing a long line, or, you know, doing some type of skilled work, I guess. That's why I call it skilling it. That's why I call it skill. Like a skill saw, or just like a nice measurement tool. And so there it looks like AMP is going to hit that 8 point, and this is how it's going to do it. Okay? And let's see if my projection is true. It'd be pretty cool to watch this play out in real time, right? I'm going to publish this call on right here like this. I can hit publish this idea, and then if you follow me, will form cup and handle. Now, if this booms to the upside, right, then we'll see this blast off. So will form cup and handle. Shout out to everyone here. Thank you for coming on in. Guys, today is the weekly screen share. Every single week, I do a weekly screen share with my Patreons, and we do a deep dive into coins. I also pay for token metrics, $1,000 a year, $100 a month, really. So for my prescription for $99 a month, you get a 1 week update into token metrics and what's going on and what coins they think are hot and what's cracking. And they've been deadly accurate a lot. They did pick Pollux. They did pick, they picked all the fan tokens. We talked about all the soccer fan tokens. All of them popped. So token metrics is something I share with my Patreons. And that's something that you get with your subscription for $99 a month. That's $80 a month. So it's almost like you're getting a whale swallowing a whale when you join my Patreon. On top of the beginners group, on top of all my other admins and other people posting charts and getting busy, you get so much love, attention, and support in my group to help you on your way to learning technical analysis. I have people that just got into the group within a month. They're absolutely killing it already. Absolutely killing it. I am fascinated by their progress. Mr. Smurvington, doing them. Tenacious Tim, doing them. These are people that had never even knew what technical analysis was till they found my channel. They said next thing they knew, they were drawing cup and handles, and they became the go-to guy in their family about what's going to happen in a coin or a chart. I can turn you into an extreme crazy charter. Just let me tutor you a couple times and then jump into my Patreon. Really, we give you a discount for the year for $1,000 if you join the Patreon in crypto. We give you a discount for 3 months for $270 for 3 months. If you join in crypto and you take 3 tutoring sessions, it's basically $1,300. And with 3 tutoring sessions and being in my group for a year, that, you know, and literally college courses are like $2,500 and they're not even a year. They last like a half a month. I will give you more than a college course of support. So much information. If in a year you don't have such a grasp on cryptocurrency that you're ready to rock and roll, I'll be super surprised. And honestly, you'll only be down $1,300. Won't that be worse? That won't even, think of it, if you took a shot, that would be less than all the other horror stories I've heard. People down 8K, 3K. So the worst you can go down from me is $1,300. That's the worst. And highly likely it's going to play out. I just showed you all my trades. I'm 40 for 50. I'm killing them. We're showing you trades every single day. We're showing you how to find the trades, where to wait for the trade, how to look for pullbacks, using stochastics, what we're doing every single day here on the channel. I don't think there's a better place for you to spend $100 a month. Really, I really don't. And I'm going to consistently say that I'm going to work so hard to make it proven throughout the internet till the crypto lifers take over the entire internet. We're coming for you, whoever you are. We're coming for you. Get ready. 20K. And then we published this idea and it's set in stone. Shout out to Def Diore for the 1999 super chat. Appreciate you. Can you look at CHR? Let's take a look at CHR. But I think we devoured AMP pretty nicely. They want me to publish a bigger description. I'm like, come on, man. If that's the description, that's the description. Okay. So here's my call for AMP, man. Doing its thing. Set in stone. There it is. AMP. Now you're going to get more calls from me on the daily time frame, right? See what I'm saying? My calls are going to start stretching out. They're going to be daily calls, midterm holds. Okay, because the market's starting to show me that it's changing trend. When it changes trend, I change how I trade. I change my stance. Just like in a fight, depending on who you're fighting, what you're doing in your martial art, you change your martial art stance. I'm going to change the way I trade now as the cycle changes. This is something that takes time to understand as a trader. Because first, you're just trying to learn technical analysis. You don't know much else. It's all TA, right? Then once you get your handle on TA, then it becomes, okay, how do I change what time frames I'm trading depending on the market cycle that I'm in? Like you saw me trading the hourly a lot. 7 minute even you saw me going into when I had to. When the market was chopped. When we were going through a lot of tough times. And there could be more tough times ahead. Nothing is guaranteed here, my friends. Nothing is guaranteed. All right?
That was just the beginning.
Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, guys, and that is your time. It really is your time, because without your time, you can't do anything. Like, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. I want to pop out the chat. I got it up here. I'm in Mask as well. I love it. There you go, man. Cool. Apologies to Bug You Lifer. I don't think my super chats are showing up. Can you kindly look at Ace? My chart in your DM. I will. Thank you very much. No, I think I saw a super chat from you and Ace. I think you said something about Ace. Ace, please. I DM'd you a chart a few days ago. No, I saw the super chat. Thank you very much. Lifer, you're really impressive and in tune with the market. It's like the market whispers to you. I've learned over and over to trust what you have to say. Shout out to BB Robin. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Ace, please. I DM'd you a chart a few days ago. Thanks for checking out Mask. Anytime, man. Oh, I like Ace. You know, Ace is like a thorn in my side. Already look at ACH. Yeah, we took a look at ACH for you. Thank you very much. Let's take a look at CHR. Let's take a look at Ace for my man, Hadouken. Shout out to Hadouken. Appreciate you more than you would ever know, man. You bring so much love and life into my group. You're the best, man. My admins are such a core, close group of people that I brought in them. They're special people. I'm a special person. So if I bring you in, and I special mean like, yeah, special short bus. Like I'm a special kind of guy. You know? Like, I wore a helmet, you know? No, I'm just messing with you guys. But I'm saying, like, and shout out to anyone that does have to wear a helmet. It's not funny. I don't mean to make fun of anyone like that. It's not a joke. Ace looks ready to move. This is where you put in a lot of money into Ace to recover the move back to the upside, right? Ace is going to have its day, I'm telling you right now. And it's going to fly. Accent. It was a great project. It is a good project. This is a giant cup and handle here, and this is a cup and handle here. I'll show both my ideas. There's your cup. Okay. But here's your cup and handle here too as well. Okay. Let's look at this on a smaller time frame. Shala. Okay, so there's your cup and handy. Sammy Cup and Handy. Weighing 175 pounds, standing 5'8.5", maybe 5'9", 5'10" he claims, but he lies all the time. Sammy Cup and Handy. Here it is, folks. Here it is. The trade of the day. I'm telling you right now. This is it, guys. She's going. And she's gone. Send it, baby. Send it, Cardano. 180 cents. Give me the music. One of the best songs ever made is this song right here. How could you not be in a good mood listening to my channel? We're making money. We're in a good mood. We're happy. We're taking care of ourselves. We're drinking water. We're not on depressants. We're not on any type of drug. I'm not on an antidepressant. They didn't give me packs, whatever it is. You know, I'm just taking care of myself daily, man, doing what I got to do, right? And you guys are helping me, honestly. Like, this channel is bringing so much light into my life. It's why I'm able to be happy. Like, you take this channel from me, I'd probably become devastated for a little while. That would be the true test. And you know what YouTube did? Just 2 weeks ago when it happened, and I was devastated. Like, you've probably never seen a more devastated person in your life. Like, and remember, it was a night when we were getting all these super chats, and it was like insane. It was the most super chats I ever got in one night. How can that? I can remember the most super chats I ever got in a night was the same night that we got the kibosh, man. And then it was over, and I was like, what is going on with me? Like, that was insane. So here's your bigger target. Risk 17% to gain 79%. Highly likely you won't get stopped out, and you'll be able to come to break even. I like to go back in the pattern once we've broken out of it and hide below the 200-day moving average, 13% to gain more. I like this trade a lot. Highly likely to play up to the upside. The KuCoin, baby, the KuCoin. Ace, all right? Ace on KuCoin. Highly likely to play up to the upside. I like Ace right here. Okay, let's take a look at the 1 hour. Is it in our favor? Is it in our flavor? No, it's not. You know what? I've seen the 1 hour hit momentum here and just fly. So it could be. Let's look at the 15-minute. Is it low, ready to rock? No, it's not. But we're forming a bit of a flag here. And I told you how do you track calls. You track calls by putting them in flags on smaller time frames, watching to make sure that the smaller time frame plays out. Once the flag is established on the 15, you move to this flag on the 30. If it stays good on the 30, you move to a flag on the 1 minute, on the 1 hour. If the flag stays good on the 1 hour and you reset, you're ready to go with bullishness. And that's how you kind of test. This is how you can test something to find out if it's what you want. I figured out how to actually test the price, just like you can test like ice to make sure ice is, I don't know, you test the ice before you go skating on it. You throw something on it. You got to make sure the ice is strong. You don't want to get into a trade that doesn't have support. This is how we test if support is strong before we get into a trade. It's a foolproof. I've been using it for the last month straight. It's been playing out very, very nicely. This would also help you avoid getting into a trade. If this flag breaks down, then we don't get into the trade. We say, it's not playing out the way we thought. Okay. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Can I get a like meter here? How many likes? How many people watching? 212 lifer fam watching. Unbelievable. 212 people. 230 people watching. Are you kidding me? That's some of the most people we've ever had. 180 good karma likes. Thank you for the likes. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Baby Doge Billionaire, what do I need to say more? Check yourself. This is an amazing project with great community and huge potential. Are you literally a Baby Doge Billionaire? Market cap is sitting at 2 trillion. How scale looking, bro? I got my money to make back on that. We all went crazy. I know, that was insane. Trent Osborne. I was like, what? That was wild. Scale is kind of the only token that didn't get one of those strange pumps yet. ADA is bulldozing. H-bar hype. Good morning. That's wild. Bro, did you see my super chat? No, I did not. Paid in the shade, Sam. Shout out to Low Profile 333. Appreciate each and every one. Lifer, when you get time, can you take a look at Pancake Honey's TA and or UOS? For sure. Let's take a look at Pancake Honey. Repetition and intensity plus consistency equals dreams come true. Back to my bathroom days. Make them 700, then lost over half of it. Made like 700. I agree. When I drink in bed, bound for days after when I could have been making moolah, baby. Yeah, don't do that, man. I made some money on ACH on the way up and that big pump a few days ago. ADA is a sleeping giant. Oh my God, ADA is going to be huge. I love Cardano. I love me some Cardano, baby. Shout out to all the testimonials. Book a Patreon, book a tutoring session. Hit the links below, guys, please. If you're new to the channel, know that I can also tutor you and teach you how to do this. Jump on in. 212 likes, 206 people watching. That is good life for karma. That's some of the most likes we've ever had. Bro, make me a moderator. Make me a moderator. I've been watching every day for a while now. My life is crazy right now. But I just watched and found the great credibility in the lifer. I have started to get into some of your calls. Tori McFarlane. Dude, once you get into the calls, you never go back, man. The real deal, man. I love your energy, man. Shout out to Badman88. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming in. 200 people watching. Some of the most we've ever had. Channel is blowing up, man. Channel is blowing up, guys. Woo! On our way to 12K. Please share this with someone. Let them know this is one of the most awesome live streams you've ever seen in your life and that you learned a lot and that you learned a great deal. Okay, he talked about UOS. Let's take a look at UOS on KuCoin. Ultra. Ultra's a hot play. It's also a good play because it goes with like virtual gaming, right? This is actually going to be big, man. This is something that's going to be huge. 62 cents. I think it could 10x to $6.26. I heard that. I don't know what was happening. I was like, whoa, what is that? Let's take a look at the daily time frame here. Extremely oversold, about to rock. So this thing's pumping. It pumped today, and it's ready to rock. Have you missed that initial pump? Sad to say, because it started at 53. This thing's up a nice 20% right there. I must have been given a call earlier here on Ultra. Boom. That call played out. Look at that. I was around here at one point. It's funny. My footsteps have been left on the charts. So I was calling to get into Ultra here at about 29. You'd already be up 100% on Ultra. Let's take a look at what Ultra's about to do, because it's about to do some serious damage. This whole market's about to explode. I'm telling you right now. Number one, the 200-day moving average appeared. It came and hit it. That's a beautiful sign. I like that. I like that. Shout out to Hadouken for figuring that little trick out. That's a very nice little trick. Look, you can see the cup and handle forming right here to the upside. There's a big move coming for this. UO Ultra on the daily time frame. Thank you, my love. $92% gains coming out of this puppy. And let's look at our support and resistance lines. There's not much to look at. I like how simple this daily chart is. It's great for a beginner, right? Like you can just kind of really see what's going on. It's like a little mini model. It's like a mini home, you know, of what's happening. And look, it's done it before. It's dug out of these holes before. Look at this hole. You never thought it would dig out of this hole, and it did. And it did. Shoulder, head, and shoulder dump, right? Pump. Rising wedge, dump, pump. Falling wedge, pump. Falling wedge, pump. Look at the cup and handle that it broke out of. Can't make this stuff up, man. These cup and handles are absolutely insane, but they play out over and over again. It's not me, it's the TA. I just found something, man. I think I just found patterns that most people just can't find, and I'm able to play them exactly the way they're supposed to be played. Other people say, watch for this level to break and stuff like that. I see the cup and handle every single time. The measured move is always going to be the length of like these lows. If you don't have a length of a low, it's going to be basically like kind of this whole kind of channel. Let's see if this worked. Look at that. I would have been pretty damn close to the measured move. See that? Cup and handles basically go straight up. They go straight up. I don't know why they do, but they do. They're just like one of the greatest. Bam. Like, and look, we're kind of doing this right now. I think ULS is about to do the same thing right now and explode for the next 2-3 weeks. All the way up 92%. You might just want to find some, a positional strength. So look, this is actually a good time to get in right now. It's pumping. And I think it's going to pump past this point. 1 hour actually has room to grow. Dude, this is hot right now on KuCoin. I'm putting out a trade for this to my whole group. This is hot. Even though there's a green candle to chase right now, this thing is blowing up right now. Watch this thing. Once it breaks this level, it's gone. If you don't want to get in now, how I would play this is like this. I would watch the breakout, watch the retest here, and then take the trade. And get in on the retest. Possible strategy is buy the retest. Anyone wants to test me, man. You want to test my skills, test the strategies. They play out so well. I'm going to be coming out with my own cryptocurrency course that breaks down exactly how I do all these things in depth. I'm going to sell it for about, I think, $500 to $600. I'm going to give a discount to my Patreons. If you're a paying Patreon for 3 months, if you've been in the Patreon for 3 months, you will get a discount. A big one, like 50%, like a fat one. I'm telling you right now. So stay tuned for my course. It's going to cover DeFi. It's going to cover long-term averaging into 2 to 3 year long-term holds, how to build wealth. It's going to show you how to get out of your 9-to-5. Step-by-step process of how to get out of your 9-to-5 by saving 10% of your wealth, dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin, then using a portion of it to trade and a portion of it to invest, and then slowly grinding your way up out of the scenario that you're in and the situation that you're in. This is going to be a different trading course than anything you've ever seen. It's going to be a life coaching trading course. It's going to take all the pitfalls that I've went through in my life to get where I am, and it's going to teach you how to get there yourself. And that's why it's going to be, this channel is different than all the other channels. I'm not here trying to make money on calls. That's what other people are doing. They're good at TA. I'm trying to change your life. I'm literally trying to change your life because I know there's people out there that changed my life, and they're on YouTube. Ed Millett changed my life. Ed Millett, I'm telling you right now. If you guys don't know who Ed Millett is, he changed my life. Ed Millett. He changed my life, dude. This guy is awesome. He's absolutely awesome. I absolutely love this dude, man. He's amazing. Baseball Hall of Fame, Rod Carew, like secrets, legends, unshakable faith. Like he's a successful guy. And he talks about being successful and growing mindset, self-improvement, and motivation. Like it's people like this that got me where I am, man. I started watching them on YouTube and Instagram. I found them one day. Then the algorithm started sending me these type of people. They're like, oh, you want to change your life? These are the people. And so like I formed my channel off of life-changing people. Like I formed my channel off of these ideals because this is what made me a better person. And I want everyone in this channel and everyone in the group to feel what I feel and to feel what it's like to really feel like you're living out your dream, man, because there's no better feeling. And everyone deserves it. Everybody deserves it. I'm going to say it again. Everybody deserves it. Okay? I'm going to tear up right now. Like, everybody deserves it. And you know what? I was going to change my life no matter what. I just happened to use TA. I was going to put in 110% in anything I found. I just happened to find TA. Let's do it, baby. It doesn't matter what it was. I was going to get my hands dirty. Consistency, repetition, and discipline. You can literally do anything you want. You can change the world. You can change the world. If that didn't motivate you to get going, if you're not ready right now to live your dreams, if you're not ready to think you can't tackle TA right now, I had depression, ADHD, I can't do this, every excuse in the book why I couldn't get the job done. And then I went to work for other people with my head down. And I served nobody, and I had no purpose. Love you, bro. Love life. Dent. We'll take a look at Dent. IOI, please. 10 million market cap, 56 million diluted, 36 million tokens. Dude, that's a small amount of tokens. I like IOI. I like what he just said. That's why he's one of my top analysts, because he knows what he's talking about. You know what I'm saying? Listen to Hadouken. Listen to JD. Listen to Jesse B. Listen to my peoples, man. Altcoin has tight moving averages in a cup and handle. Then there you go. Love this market, man. Shout out to my dude, XRP Muser, Cody Boom. Man, you called it, Muser. You said we were going to have a big push up. You called it, brother. Bitcoin dominance is dumping. AMP called. Pop. There you go, man. Boom. Channel is mooning. Shout out to everyone here. I'm from India. Shout out to N World Nizam. If you have people you care about in your life, share the channel with them. They deserve the knowledge. Mask pumping. XLM. Super chat. Mask is pumping? Really? My call? Really? Are we up monies? Am I up money? I just got excited. I still get excited, man. Trading still excites me too. I'm still a trader at heart, man. I'm a trader, baby. Throw caution to the wind. I'm a sailor when it comes down to it. Mask is pumping. No, not for me. Not for me. I'm down $8. I know when people do that, they get me excited. I'm like, come on, man. Hope all is well, Lifer. Just asking, did you sell any Bitcoin at its lowest? Remember when you were debating selling Bitcoin? Why? I would never debate that. Doesn't make any sense. No, I never even debated that. You must be talking to the wrong dude. I never debated selling any of my Bitcoin at the low. Never. I never ever debated that. Babe, did I ever debate selling my Bitcoin?
No, we debated how much to buy.
Yeah, like that's like never. I never once in my life debated selling Bitcoin. I think that's the worst idea possible. That goes against everything I
talked a lot about how much you wanted to empty any bank money you had.
I wanted to put my entire bank account in at 30K, and you begged me not to, and I said, why not though?
I didn't beg you not to.
We would have been up so much, so hot right now. It would have been the greatest move. We could have sold right now.
I have to listen to you no matter what.
Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Why don't you come on in the live, babe? Shell bell. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. So, UOS looks like it's highly likely to break to the upside as well. I like this trade. Looking very, really nice. Okay, let me get back into the chat here. For some reason, I can't find the chat like normal. I'm going to go grab the chat and get it out. I must have closed. Sometimes I close the chat. Shout out to 11,443 subscribers. We're doing it, man. On our way to 12K, baby. On our way to 12K. Today is the weekly screen share. A great day to jump into the Patreon because then you would join in the weekly screen share where I go in depth with everybody in my group. And we also go over token metrics, which is an $80 program, $80 a month. Costs you a lot of money. And it helps out the channel more than you would ever know if you jump into the Patreon, man, because that's how I live my life, right? And then I'm able to bring more people and do more services. And I like to take the money the Patreon pays and just give it back to the Patrons. Like, I'm going to be doing giveaways soon. We have a bunch of awesome, cool ideas that we're going to implement. Sorry, I got distracted going over here. Trying to get the chat out. Pop up the chat. There we go. All right, there we are. What is IOI? Why is it pumping? Because we said so. Because NFTs are hot right now. Yes. Welcome to you, Jimmy. Hello to the Philippines. Shout out to everyone here, man. Bro, can we take a look at XLM? Yes, we will. Bruv. What's a bruv? A bro love? Is that bro love, bruv? Love you, bro. Love life. Dent. We'll take a look at Dent Golden Dragon. OI, please. Let's take a look at IOI. And we still got we looked at Accent. We did look at Accent. Okay, just came out. This thing just came out, right? KuCoin has the gems, man. I'm telling you, man. They're rivaling Binance at this point. Am I wrong? I mean, I feel like they are. Oh, this must have had a huge wick. Whenever there's a huge wick, this is what happens. You can't, like, it takes, you have to, like, dig for the price action. I can't stand this. It must have a huge wick. Every time there's a huge wick, this is what happens. All right, I found it. I found the price action. I don't know why it was hiding on me. No, it doesn't. It just was hiding on me. I had to, like, find it. All right, you got to look at this thing on the 7-minute, really, to get any proper idea of it. This thing is flying. It was just, what? $1. It said $1.50, and it's done it. You called this, man. You gave us the call last night. So this call was in my channel, man. Shout out to anyone that took the call. Unbelievable call. He called IOI, booming up to the upside on KuCoin. It's another call. Don't leave the channel. If you leave today, you might miss out on a gem that I'm about to give you towards the end. So, you know, You know, and you don't know what that gem could be. So, okay, yeah, it did come from these lows though. Okay, yeah, it did have a huge wick. I was about to say it must have had a wick. Wow, look how big that wick is. And these things always go back to their highs. I can't even get to the wick. Look at this, dude. Do you see the wick? I knew there was a wick. The wick is somewhere past 65. I'm trying to get to the wick right now. Yo, this is crazy. That's a real wick. Yo. It wicked to what? Yo. $5,000? Yo, how is that possible? How is that of a 5? That's got to be a glitch, right? I don't know. I've seen this happen before, and it says things will go back up to the upside. Remember Jose? He just keeps reminding me of that Doge idea. That's why Elon likes Doge. So this thing's just getting started. You see it break this level at 154. It can get all the way back to its high at $3.69. So, you know, what happened? What happened was we had a lot of coins come out right when the market was dumping, and they were great projects that actually were going to do really well. But the market sentiment was so nasty and so crazy that they couldn't breathe. And this actually gave you good advantages to buy projects at the extreme low, like this one at 69 cents, right? I think you're onto something here with this project. I think it's breaking a resistance point. Let's take a look at support and resistance. And that's why I love my team, man. It's not just me. There's a team of analysts there every single day giving you guys calls, giving you guys charts, giving you long-term, mid-term holds, ideas to play on. And these are wealth-creating ideas. These are ideas to get, well, you can become very, very wealthy in cryptocurrency. Soon, even my whole team is going to be wealthy just by, I can just tell. I can see what they're doing. I can see their behavior. One of my top admins made $2,000 in a night, man. Like, come on. Like, it's getting to the point where he will be set for life. Like, he won't have to, you know, and he runs his own business. Like, come on. So support and resistance, we broke above this resistance. We're hitting this support. We probably come back down and bounce off resistance and support there. 1 hour is ready to rock again, though. It's getting oversold. So, like, look for this thing to bounce. I mean, interesting. It might flag out a little bit here. And that's going to be the cup and handle, too. Look at this little mini cup and handle here. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. IOI, please. $10 million market. I like the market cap too, man. That's crazy. Have you charted TLM? Big cup and handle brewing there. Yeah, I've been in it. I'm still in it. Polkadot, 2,000 USD next year. Yeah, very possible, but you never know. There's a TLM idea. CMAS for the $5 super chat. Can you take a look at Trios? When I buy, it goes down. No, it doesn't. Logic is another NFT play, but I like the token metrics of IOI. Yeah, what's this LOCG? Yeah, you put that on my radar. Mask, BTC, ETH. No. Wick at 5,400. Marin C. What do you mean no? Why do you do stuff like that? People freak me out, man. So strange. Okay, yeah, we went down a little bit. But I told you we were going to go down on the 15-minute. I said that like numerous times. So that was all. It's like people don't listen to the channel. They watch the analysis and they freak out when the analysis plays out. I don't get it. Doesn't make any sense to me. All right. Let's take a look at Trios right now. Trios, I got a fractal on Trios. Check this out. I got a fractal on it. I like to make this like part of the page, but it won't let me do that either. Okay, so I have a fractal here. The fractal is from, where is it from? I can't exactly remember which coin. Oh yeah, it's from Super. It's from Super. Super just did this and pumped to the upside. Highly likely Trios will follow in its favor. I like Trios right here, pumping up to the upside 59%. Watch Trios, watch my fractal on it. Really, look, shoulder, head, and shoulder, forming a bit of a flag, coming back down on the 1 hour, ready to rock. I mean, this thing's highly likely to play out. Bouncing off previous support with the 21-day moving average touching it. Trios is my call, man. I believe every single lifer should be in Trios. The entire group. Yeah, I mean, why not? I think it's the most likely to play out, in my opinion, and it's gonna have serious gains. It's gonna have some serious gains. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, guys. And that is your Tizime. There you go, baby. Trios, man. I just want you to watch it. Guys, we have so many calls in the last 2 days that are going to play out. I didn't even want to bombard the chat with any more calls. I will be looking at them throughout the day, of course, but ERG, man, nailed it again. Nailed it. Shout out to Mr. Smurfington. Put it on the radar, and then we took it out. Booming. Mina is about to pop, too. Let's take a look at Mina Protocol. And Mina just got added to Binance, so now we can trade it. We couldn't trade it up until yesterday. Mina about to pop up to the upside, doing its thing. Look at Mina. Little bit of a dump in the market right now, but no worries. No worries. We're okay. All is well. Look at Mina. So far, this was the call for Mina, right? We might have got stopped out there. Yeah, we did. Trade would have gotten up. But the thing is, right when this trade got to this high point, and that was it, you get out of the 1 hour. You know what I'm saying? You see what you get. This 1 hour gave you more. So you never know. So we can't say you would have gotten stopped out because we don't know what you would have done after this pop, and then it kind of fizzled out. But it did. It is a trade that eventually, if you were a newbie and you try to hang on, right? But then you get your shoulder, head, and shoulder, and you pop to the upside. Huge pop. Huge pop. Now you look at your support and resistance lines, all right? It's really not much. Mina just came out. How does that have this much? Oh, I'm looking at it on OKX. Yeah, we might as well look at it on another on a bigger exchange. So it's got strong support right here. Look. Resistance, bounce off support right there. Bounce off support. I said that funny, I don't know why. Bounce off support right there. Look at this. It's in a flag for sure. Coming back down to the bottom of the trend line, that's where I like to get in on the 1 hour. I mean, that's a beautiful buy for Mina, right? You got to use the fear to your advantage. When people are freaking out, you just step up to the plate and do the same thing over and over again. And that's what separates you. That's what makes you a crypto lifer. Because you don't give a dang. Because you know in your heart what to do. You don't need anyone else to tell you what to do. You've formed your own ideas, and you're convinced that your trade is going to play out the way you see it. This trade is highly likely to play up to the upside. Let's see it, you know. It could bounce on you, and you could get stopped out. Highly likely. Anything is possible in this game. Again, had you did this trade 10 times, you get stopped out 7 times, you lose 63%. You win 3 times, you win over 120%. So, if you only win 3 out of 10 of your trades, and you take this type of trade over and over again, you will be a profitable trader. You can look at your family and friends and say, I make money trading, and I only win 30% of the time. Isn't that amazing? And look, I'm winning 80% of the time. So imagine how big the profits are now. Just imagine that. Imagine it. It's insane. It's absolutely insane. So just something to think about, you know. Yeah. And let's take a look at Mina on Binance, because I haven't got a look at it on the Binance chart, because look, it's got nothing. All it has is the flag that we showed you, and it's not even. It's kind of more beat up. But so what I'll do is I'm gonna post the Mina call. Okay. Binance and other exchanges. And then this is just the call here. If you can catch beginning coins and markets that are very that are getting hot, like it just got added to the best exchange in a hot market. Stop loss is less here, which is interesting. Trade's a little different. I like Mina Protocol though, no information, like nothing to go on. Go on the 7 minute, it's the best you got. Just go to whatever time frame you can go on. And make the play. They go all the way below that wick, it's too much. Oh, you're so cute, baby. You'll be all right. Switch the E and the R, or write a new one on the other side of the envelope. That's a good idea. Oversold on the 15 minute. That's the When a coin has no information, I go with the 50-minute strongly, very strongly. Your vibe attracts your tribe all the time. Tim Grover is also a legend. Mina is my third baby. Ben and Trias from yesterday. Dot moving strong. Hadouken, I'm still waiting to give you your knowledge about Trias or Mina. To give me your knowledge. Their purpose or talk about their white papers. Tex-Mex. He doesn't work for you, man. The amount of times we've been wrecked listening to other people is a lesson in itself. Robert Douglas. Hey, Lifer, do you still like XDC call? Tenacious Tim. Hey, Tex, you heard of Google, bro? Trias made me first ever big bag back in April. Made my first bag, yeah. Tex Mess Life made a video on Trias, so all info on there. Hey, bro, I know Google, but I also know that, no, I know what Trias or Mina is really doing. You know? I did a whole video on Mina Protocol, the crypto lifestyle. Just Google Crypto Lifer Mina Protocol, and no, it's actually on my channel. I just did a video on Mina Protocol, and I broke down exactly what it does. I did I spent like an hour and I spent like 4 hours on this video. 4 hours of my time. Right here, Mina Protocol. I only got 900 views. This thing should have way more views. Explain, world's smallest blockchain. No bigger than a tweet. Why it can explode, man. And since then, it's been going up ever since I made this call, too. Like, I mean, and this is just information. It's not even a call. I'm breaking down why I liked Mina. No one paid me for this. It wasn't paid. I just Google my own stuff, and I like making my own videos about things that I like. I like Mina Protocol. It made sense to me. I did a deep dive. Watch this video. It'll explain everything you need to know about Mina. All right? So there you go. That answers your question. ACH Go. How's Alchemy APA Lifer? Looks like volcano action brewing. Trias is a blockchain cloud, like Google Cloud, isn't it? I think it is. I never deep dive Trias. That's the thing. I never deep dived it. That'll be my next video. Yeah. We're making money every single day, baby. And we went through the bearish of the bearish times, and we still made a killing. We made it through. All my lifers that stuck with me throughout this whole time, appreciate each and every one of you. Let's talk about Covalent. It's a trade that I've been talking about for a long time. I love Covalent. I did a deep dive on this as well. Covalent just pushing up to the upside again. Erupting out of the cup and handle. Boom. Cody chart, bro. Started to see hidden bullish divorce forming on Mina. It got a full chart from Kraken Exchange on TV. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah. Trias is a blockchain cloud like Google Cloud, isn't it? How does Alchemy APY Lifer? Let's take a look at ACH. You said it was pumping. Well, I got so much trash in the screen. There it goes. There it goes. Hell yeah, baby. Doing its thing from the pump. At 9.7, back up to 10. Only need 9 to get 10%. You're already up 3%. Starting to see hidden bullish forming on the Kraken. Yeah, Cody chart, bro. Let me make sure I didn't miss a super chat here. Can you look at Trias? Shout out to everyone here on the live, man. AC Pay, Alchemy Pay. Alchemy. This is Altcoin. Looks like it's getting pumped and dumped a lot. I don't know. I don't like that. Pump and dump. It's hot, but yeah, I don't know. It's like everything else. Hold it and let it rip. It's a shoulder, head, and a shoulder forming there. Giant inverted head and shoulder for sure. Cup and handle that did explode to the upside 2 times. They've pumped and dumped this thing so many times, though. I'm weary of that thing. You think Safe Moon will ever go to the moon? LOL, Safe Moon. I don't know. Let's take a look at Safe Moon. I haven't looked at it in a long, long time. I mean, they're still working and they're doing their thing. So, you know, if the little coins revive, I mean, anything could happen to Safe Moon for sure, but we'll see. Oh, baby. Who would have thought? I honestly think SafeMoon can get back to its all-time highs. I still hold my bags. I really do. I think in SafeMoon can get way, it could go a cup and handle and explode. It's just going to do what it did down here. And fly, right? Look, you can even take a fractal on SafeMoon. See, there's your up and down, there's your bowl, and then it's gone. It can make some serious millionaires, man. SafeMoon does this, I'll make $1 million off SafeMoon easily. It'll make me a millionaire. So it's just something to think about. Possible. I don't know how big the market cap would have to get though, right? So just something to think about. If you see SafeMoon, Safe Mars, Safe Tesla, and all the other rug pull coins getting attention again, it'll be time to take profits because the same thing will happen to the market, like in May. I don't know. I disagree. I researched Mina and sent a super chat to Lifer saying, "Ask if I'm crazy to be big on Mina" about a month ago. Lifer said, "No, I wasn't." So then I gravitated towards Mina. There you go, man. Starting to see hidden bullish. There you go, man. If you see SafeMoon. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me. How is the stream? Let's take a look at it. 181 people watching, 237 likes. Wow, we blew it out the water today. Algorithm was really pumping for us. Love it, man. Love it. Well, guys, you know it's the end of the stream. It's 12:20. I have $1 billion SafeMoon. I'll make you a millionaire if it hits. I'll make you a millionaire. SafeMoon, $1 soon. That'd be insane. Dot, wow, what should I put all on to? How about IOL? Is it a good time for an entry? I researched Mina. You think SafeMoon will ever go to the moon? I researched Mina. Starting to see hidden bullish. Anyway. Oh, wow, there's 1,000 of me. I didn't see that. Let's take a look back at Bitcoin right now. See what's going on. Looks like it was struggling for a second. I think it's at 43.2 or something. 46.5, and it was dumping. That's fine, man. That's just a 15-minute resetting. 15-minute resetting. That's all it's doing. I started to learn that. I just block the emotions out. It's also, when the 15-minute resets, it's called a retest of the top trend line. That's a retest. Retest tells you that Bitcoin's about to fly. So get ready, guys. Bitcoin's about to do some serious damage to the upside. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Leverage trading BTC. I need to put in my $3,500. Wait, before I leave, we got to make a trade for the crypto lifer. What should the lifer trade right now? 27. Guys, you guys pick the trade for me. What should the lifer trade? I've given you guys all the education. You guys know the markets. You know what's going on. What should the lifer get into right now? If I lose, it's on you, though. Golden Dragon. Dot. Wow. Let's take a look at Polkadot. There you go, baby. My target for Dot. Look, there it is now. It's got to break this resistance point. Oh, it's going to. With that 15-minute in its favor, it's going to. I see Dot getting all the way up to 23 today by the end of the day, for sure. Boom. There's going to be pullbacks, guys. Remember that. Take profits. There are going to be pullbacks. Take profits. ACH, ACH, ACH. I'm already in ACH, but so I should double down? Go in for more? Interesting. $15-minute looks ready to rock. 1 hour's hot, though. I wouldn't get in right now. Yeah, I don't know. I'm weary. I'm weary of ACH at the moment. I don't know if it's a trade right now. Never ever tell someone to sell. 1 inch ripped and crapped itself. Well, it was getting, it was getting chilled. They also were giving 1 inch away again. Oh, 1 inch pump. It didn't crap itself. What are you talking about? 1 inch pumping. I was actually going to call out for 1 inch. I was just so sick of talking about it. But I did like 1 inch down here. Look, I have it in a giant cup and handle. Look at that. Eventually, it's going to make it back to its all-time high and some. I hold my 1 inch. We got in 1 inch at 145. And, you know, it was just, wow, what a struggle that was. I'll never forget that 1 inch, man. Inverters heading on HEH, turning up. Inverted IHR RSI. Alchemy Pay. I like the name. It's dope. Alchemy. Everyone likes Alchemy. ACH. It just, you know that it's so high in that 1 hour, man. 15-minute might be a cool trade. Pump you up. 20% to 12. Carrera doing things. 3 commas is showing a huge red engulfing candle. On 1 inch? What do you want, the 2 minute? XRP booming. I like XRP too. My bag's of XRP, baby. Look at that, dude. 96 XRP. We gave a call for it last night on the channel too. Look at that. To the target and beyond, baby. Look, and I gave you exactly where to either buy here or here. If it bounces, it bounced both places. You could have bought both. If you missed the second one, you could have got the first one. You could have got the second one. Shout out to XRP booming, up 13% on the call. Boom. I like to see XRP pump because my best buddy's in it, and when it's up hard, he's up huge today. Like, he's up huge in the last few days. Him and his brother made a killing. Yo. Back to a buck, man. They can't hold us down, baby. They can't hold us down at all. This is amazing. This is amazing. Sometimes I have to sit and laugh. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Shout out to everyone here on the live. Thank you for coming on in. Appreciate each and every one of you. 200 likes, man. Most likes, I think some of the most likes. We got back to 200 people again. Lifers are doing great. Do you think HNT will keep going up? I do believe so. Safe Moon whales keep dumping. That's good. We get more Safe Moon. Lifer, check the 99 room. Yeah, I think that's a... That's hilarious. Looking hella juicy, mate. I got a plan for Mina. This thing is hiding out in the Trias chart. I like Trias. I like Mina right now. I'm taking Mina down. That's what I'm going to take. That's the call. The call's Mina. I'm going to take Mina down. I'm in it as well. There you go, baby. I love my lifers, man. We got such an active group right there. You can see that. People are just loving it. One of the greatest groups in the planet, man. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, man. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. KuCoin shares is going to pump. It's all going to pump, man. But lifer don't like H-bar. Let's take a look at H-bar. If I don't do your call, I'm at the end of the stream, man. I'm this guy. All of this is borrowed time. Stream goes to like 12 p.m. Once I go past 12 p.m., it's like I could just say, hey, and then that could be it. You know, I could be like, hey, and hey. H-bar highly likely to break up to the upside. It played out of an inverted head and shoulder. I'd look to take some profit on it. I don't like H-bar. It's a centralized coin. I was at a meeting with Charles Hawkinson. I got to sit with him, and I asked him, hey, what do you think of H-bar? And he said, oh, that's a government coin. Like, it's never going to free the people. And he was very distasteful about it. So, I go with that. I go with that idea. So, I'm a little like kind of not loving it too much. But it's breaking out of a rising wedge. 68% chance to break to the downside. It did not. So that's telling you they can go parabolic now. So highly likely to break up to the upside. Hey, Lifer, I got into Matic at 115 yesterday. Do you think I should stay in or move my capital to another token for today? $5 for Captain Crunch. $5 super chat. Lifers are doing great for the $7.99. Thank you so much, man. Do you think HNT will keep going up? Thank you so much for the $5 super chat. Appreciate you. It's a 1984 coin. That's what I'm saying. KSM before you leave, please. I did KSM for you, though. I thought. We'll look at it again. Maybe you stepped up. Crypto Dingo, my dude. Shout out to Crypto Dingo up in the spot, man. Appreciate each and every one of you. Shout out to Noel, man. Shout out to Rock. Shout out to Tree City West. Shout out to Gold 13 Dragon. Dent. Oh, yeah, I didn't get over Dent. Let's go look at Dent. I'm getting extended. Now my stuff goes to the Patreons, man. That's it. Now everything you want to call, jump into the Patreon, and I'll give you the call there in the Patreon at this point. Check CHR, please. You guys are extending me. Jump in the Patreon, and I'll go over your calls, man. I got you. BTC dumping. It's not dumping, man. Why do you keep doing that? It's not dumping. It's the 15-minute resetting. I went over this 7 million times. All right? It's retesting the top trend line. That's not a dump. That's actually a really good sign of a pump to the upside, touching the 21-day moving average. I would highly likely long that. If you were smart, you would use that to get in instead of saying it's dumping. When someone says dumping, it's the most, you see my mood just, I got to learn to just be always like, but like when someone's BTC dumping, I'm like, man, get a life, man. Please. It's like, seriously. Sorry. I don't mean it personally to you if like I hurt your feelings, but like, come on, man. Like, the lifer like button is like Thor's hammer. It only works for the legendary. Shots are about to get squeezed in a lot of projects. Shorts. Oh, yeah. It's over. It's pumping, man. Quant is a government coin, but will be $45,000 in 10 years. I think Quant will be big. BTC is pumping. Look at this point. Change it up. Oh, now I'm just happy now. Now I'm just happy. Oh, I love it. I love you. Let's take a look at Matic. So he said he got into Matic. I like this call right here for Mina at $3. Look, it bounced right off the trend line there at 297. I'm going to get into Mina protocol before I forget. That's what happens. I get so into the stream, I forget to make a trade. You know? Let's take a look at Mina, baby. And it says I don't got 3500, but I know I got 35. Oh, it keeps changing the main stake account. I don't know why it's doing that. Show me 3100. All right, $3,100 into Mina protocol. All right, limit order in 46. Let's do our thing. All right, we're gonna take a profit at 28%. Now I'll do 27.5%. Funny number. Okay. So look, we're gonna take profit. Oh wait, this is not Mina. This is Bitcoin or something. What is it doing? So I like 3 commas right here. Again, sign up to 3 commas with my link. I'd greatly appreciate it. Okay, I'm gonna go for 100%. We're gonna go at three grand at 306. Take profits at stop loss. The take profit's gonna be at 27.5, and I may keep it up and just stay in it. The stop loss is sitting there at 5.77. So I use the chart to do everything. Everything is made off the chart. No emotions at all in this. It's all mathematical. 306 right there. We're gonna go 100%. We're gonna limit in so we don't have to pay the amounts fees, and we're gonna hit that create trade for 3 commas. I live trade almost every single day here on the live stream. That's another thing you'll see. Not many mentors live stream. A lot of people with trading groups, they do not live stream their trades. They don't show you that they're actually trading. Maybe they just make money off the trading group and they don't even trade. I'm in the trenches with you guys. I got my money on the line with you guys every single day. I'm showing you how to do what I do. How to fish. Teach a man to fish, man. Teach a fisherman. Mask is pumping now. Mask is pumping. Market's pumping. I think your entry was just that little dip. And we're going to move pretty fast right now. Look for yourself to make some nice profits today. It looks like all our lifers are going to be in some serious profits. We have so many calls we made last night. Everyone should be in a call or a trade or something, moving stop losses up, taking some profits, looking for your next call and trade. We went over so much in the live stream today. I can't even believe it. It's 12:30. I got to get out of here. I'll do some news quickly, and then I'm going to run on out. If I didn't do your coin, if I didn't get to your super chat, I greatly apologize. Jump on into the Crypto Lifer trading room, and maybe I'll go over there, hit me up, say, hey, I sent a super chat, hit up one of the admins, say I super chatted and I didn't get some, I didn't, no one went over it. I'm like, we'll take a look. All right, you got into Matic at 115. Let's take a look at what you're asking here. He got into Matic at 115. Should he take profits or move on to something else? Again, none of this is financial advice. I would stay in Matic right now. 15-minute is flagging and ready to rock out. Everything with the USDT pair is about to explode. Looks like the whole market's going to crack over $2 trillion. And then we're going to see a huge party. Looks like people are jumping back in a frenzy. All the retail investors that ran out in fear, remember, they're the same idiots running. I shouldn't say idiots, but they're the same people who were controlled by their emotions, who just decided that they had to just, jump in again. Matic at 136 and continue to pump. If you didn't get Matic below $1, like I said, over and over and over and over and over again, you're kicking yourself now. 79, 69 cents even. I know a guy that got into trading just a few months ago, took a few tutoring sessions with me. He texted me recently. He said, listen, because of what you showed me, I got Matic at 69 cents. I got Ethereum at 1900, and he's like, I can't believe what happened. And so unbelievable, right? So shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. We'll take a look. But the Matic, yeah, I would stay in Matic. I think it's going to continue up. I got a measured move here of Matic out of this pennant, continuing to the upside, just like Bitcoin's continuing. The calls are stone cold. $1.62 Matic coming your way. So look out for Matic to continue to the upside. $3 Matic not too long from now. If the market keeps continuing the way we're going, we did break above 42K. I told you I was bearish until we broke above 42K on a weekly candle. We handled it. We did it. We're ready to rock, man. So yeah, super excited about that, and I can't wait as my computer goes down again. But we'll see. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm going to take a look at some news. I can't even see the chat if I want to now at this point, which is really strange. 46,360 doing our thing. I really like that bounce. That's a retest bounce right there. Look for another bounce off that. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. You get stopped out. Always have a stop in place. So you have capital for another trade, right? We don't want to see this trend line break as well. This is a beautiful trend line that Bitcoin's holding. Okay. Okay, now let's take a look at the news. Polygon rallies as whales go into buying spree. Yep. Polygon native token Matic appears to have entered a new uptrend fueled by whales that have been accumulating tokens at a discount. Polygon's Matic token is soaring. Behavior analyst Perform Sentiment reveals that demand for Polygon is accelerating quickly based on the token supply distribution and the number of addresses with $100,000 to $10 million in Matic has surged nearly 9.3% in the last few weeks. Roughly 67 whales have joined the Polygon network since July 20th. It's going, man. Crypto market tops 2 trillion again with Bitcoin Ethereum leading the way. I didn't see that happen, but apparently it did. Let's take a look. They say it did. This is total. My track said 1.91, so I have not topped 2 trillion, but maybe they have in other ways, derivatives, or maybe, I don't know, they have another metric for figuring that out. Not sure. Cardano developers introduce new token type. What is an NFTA? Cardano pioneers concept the non-fungible token of appreciation. The non-profit distributed them between passionate Cardano contributors. NFTAs go live on Cardano. According to the detailed blog unveiled by the Cardano Foundation, it celebrates the launch of Cardano ADA developer web portal in an unusual way. The new dev blog, how we minted the NFTAs and why we went from standard tokens built on... This is very interesting. Hold on. I want to make the banana dude. Let's take a look at this. I want to make a kind of a video about this. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm the Crypto Lifer. Hope you're having a good morning, day, afternoon, night, no matter where you are in the world. If you came to my channel and you like the vibe that I provide, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment. I absolutely love reading the comments. Today, I'm going to talk about Cardano and how it's developing a new term here, something we've never heard in cryptocurrency. That's right, an NFTA. Yes, not an NFT, an NFTA. That's a non-fungible token of appreciation. The non-profit distributed them between passionate Cardano contributors, the Cardano Foundation. That's what they did. The NFTA goes live on Cardano. According to a detailed blog unveiled by Cardano Foundation, it celebrates the launch of Cardano developer web portal in an unusual way. New dev blog, how we minted the NFTAs and why we went from the standard tokens built on our native. Unlike Ethereum's ERC20 tokens, Cardano doesn't require a smart contract. Check out the article for more. Cardano's foundation, first ever non-fungible tokens of appreciation, will be awarded to 10 Cardano 88 enthusiasts who contributed to the progress of the blockchain. New tokens are minted in accordance with the CIP 721 metadata standard and the NFT-focused Cardano improvement proposal. It allows users to attach metadata to Cardano's token so the information can be stored on the blockchain. To ensure the authenticity of these tokens and their metadata, Cardano's Foundation official wallet authorized the transactions to mint them. Main difference between Ethereum and Cardano's tokens. The process of token minting can be verified by a QR code that sends everyone Cardano's blockchain's Explorer. Also, the tokens can be checked through Cardano's Foundation official NFTA page. Developers emphasize that NFTAs and all Cardano tokens are minted in a manner different from Ethereum. Cardano's tokens are minted similarly to ADA. The process does not include smart contracts. This is a big news. This is a big deal, and I think we should look at this, guys. Check it out. New news coming at you. This is a short little segment. I want you guys to look at it. Cardano creates NFTAs. I got a Cardano at 2 cents and 8 cents. I've been holding ever since, and I'm watching it soar today, and I'm super excited about the cryptocurrency market. We're about to crack through 2 trillion. Some people said we already have, and I cannot wait. If you like this type of content, please subscribe. I go live every single day. If you like this type of content, I go live Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. Sunday nights at 8 p.m. for Bitcoin's weekly candle close to get you ready for the week ahead. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life. Peace. All right, guys, that's a quick little segment, and I'm going to jump on out of here. News is bubbling, though. 3 reasons why Ethereum trading volume surpasses Bitcoin's, according to Coinbase. That's a big deal, too. Ethereum a Lattice token invites early-stage DeFis to decentralized launchpad. We talk about Lattice token all the time here on the channel as well. Everyone, thank you so much for coming in. I'm going to sign on out for the day. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you guys on the next live stream tomorrow at 10 a.m. If you're in the live stream, thank you to 11,444 subscribers. Really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for coming in to the channel. Join the Patreon. Guys, join the Patreon. Best $99 you ever spent. We'll keep you updated every single day with what's happening in the markets. We'll teach you how to trade, and you will find ways to make yourself profitable. If you're not a profitable trader right now, we will help you find a way. I'm telling you right now, we will educate you to do the right thing. Bro is making a new vid live. Thanks for sharing. Thanks, lifers. Okay, I'll check 3 commas on Google and find out. Just hit the link below my description and then go to Mooning Papa's videos on YouTube. He'll show you what's up. Investing in Adam, Dot, and Link now 100% win. Why gamble on risk if you only have a few grand? Would you invest in practic paper trades? I agree, man. I have Adam, Dot, and Link too. I have all 3, and I think it's a great example of what to be in. And Trent, you have a good idea, man. Appreciate you, man. All right, at the end of every live stream, I say 1, 2, 3, crypto is life. 1, 2, 3, crypto is life. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate it.